asoye no ebebo modin de adokotafo anase nimdifo a wonom ehwe apomuden ho ensem so akoye nkuro nketoa no asade ebeye a eye nkuro nketoa no so na apomuden ho ensem ebetumi agina brane ewo ho wei eye Daily Graphic.
Still on health, free primary health care to be operational January. Health Minister, he said this on Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic nso ena de we ya ba wo kire se ya de sesesei oswafo a wono ehwe apomuden ho nsem so e de atodwa wo kire se enche na kire se afia ye ba besimi ya de se ayarehwe ho nsem a enka eboa emanipa ya pomudin etimi gina brane no enkoba se ye betwetwe sika se de na ye twetwea no eni ntini sa hyehye ye ebefrase eye afia ye besimu se de be ya obi ekwa yarehwe ana empo obi wo sukuu mu na se ye de ne kwa yarehwe a wontua eye sika bia.
Away from the health fraternity, former NAFCO CEO wife still in custody despite 150 million Ghana cedis bill. Ghanaian Times.
Ghanaian Times so ena eka asem wei eye ni munsem ena chese aba betodwa ewo man Ghana mu pani kwankyerefo a anka ne na wodi ne dwuma ewo eye Food and Buffer Stock Company NAFCO ya to ye twanity a ena yi Accra High Court fo ensa eka woni ne yira ye de bill ato wo muti so 150 million Ghana cedis bill. Court no echire mu say anase Ghanaian Time echire mu say despite say ye de bill no ato mu to senka ye nim say ye de bill eto obi to so a enka ye gya no e ma ne kodi ne dwuma e wo fie nanso enei de still a wonom eda so wo eye aposifo anase court no akache a ye gya wo mu.
Government engages ESPA to clear outstanding arrears. Local government minister to Ghanaian Times.
We so Ghanaian Times ena ede baye we a local government minister na chese wosoafo ana say pani a wogina mu e wo aban no ene council ahodo no a wonom ehye local government ase ena wodi we ba wo kire say ade se aban no enhyehyeye na watua akabia wodi council ahodo no a eka e wo aban mu no se de be ya wonom susu sikasem susu betumi akoye. Ghanaian Times ena de we bae.
Bank of Ghana gives deadline for mobile loan apps to get license. Ghanaian Times.
Ghanaian Times ekronwa ena eka we Bank of Ghana eye oman batan sika krabia ena ne wonum ede atodwa wo kire se eye applications anase app ahodo no a ewo ye phone so a wonum ebobosia ewo online no emu bebre emfa license enye adwuma eni nti wa hye wo mo kete se hwie be afimpinu ene aduonu a nsia ye ba besim na se 2026 ne da June da etoso aduasa wonom enhwe na wo mu enya license enya sa wuni wa ye bechew se wo ye adwuma se wuni license na ade se empanimfo ene wo bedi ye papa.
Moving to the Ashanti region, over 30 drivers nabbed for overcharging at night. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic enso ene di we ba wo chese okopie mu e wo Asante mantemu a adrama fo mako ebeye aduasa ena empanimfo aso wo mu mpa achi a ne nyina ne se wonum sika anasa wonum ahyantuabo esese wonum age eye anwumere no wonum age broso ya sesi ade empanimfo aso wonum epachi.
Away from the general news to the business news, 90% of consumers expect prices of foreign goods to decline. Maverick Research Survey, he said this on Joy Business.
We a Joy Business and a day ba ekua ye free wono Maverick Research Survey na chese hwehwemu a wono ye kire se enipa a wonum edi amanoni dwa na chese export and importers no wonum kire se sese eyade se Ghana yensidi no etimi agina ne na so ye pa eninti eye niama ye di free amanone eba no esese ebo no so no eso etimi eti weyi eye Maverick Research Survey ene de ba ya wo kire se wo hamu abupen aduokron enipa ena wonum ekawe.
Agribusiness Chamber declares grain crisis, demands 3 months rice import ban. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom so ene de ensemia ba na kire se agribusiness chamber declares wonom na echere se eyade se wo ba o my Ghana mu a yenu baye anase yenuane menka se grains no se ebia emo anase ade a yede mo ene ade nyina ye no eyade se sesia no ne to ene ho hyehyeye e wo my Ghana mu no eso ate papa wonom echere se eyade se wo mo emfa wo hye bi ento so se de be ya se wo bi atabiri ya mu ibi ekọ oman foforo mana so obi de oman foforo emo eba Ghana hu ha ya entumi emma so na se de ebe ya sika ene emo ho hyehyeye no so no ebetumi agina amadwade enso atimi akoso.
And to our foreign front, Tunisia repatriates thousands of migrants amid Mediterranean migration pressure. African News.
African News nso na di we aba okopiem ewo oman Tunisia wonum abomodia abonipa mako 10,000 afiri wonum eman mu ni nyina ne se economy na anase wonum atena ye ho na ye dini ye papa enam so ama kire se asetena ayede ama wo mu asesei wonum botaye ne se wo mu ebeyi eye atutinafo anase mamenka ne sa atutinafo afiri ho ama wo man ne so emu ahenhan wo mu.
To our last story on the international front, Guinea's Chanta leader enters the December presidential race. Africa News.
Africa News kronwa enedi we eba ukopiemu ewo Guinea wonum asra dom kuo pani ba ko a ekoba ne se wo kofa eye abanwa etena so a sisia no wonu no hu ni se wokoye omampani no eyade se hwiebe December bosumi a eda yanimi wonum eba betoba ayi mampani eneide wonu nso so agina se yento no so aba se omampani.
Okay, these are the stories we have this morning for our cherished listeners, but we do it all the time. This morning we are going to take one outstanding story to treat, and then the outstanding story for this morning is going to be the issues of the drivers in Ashanti region, where they've been nabbed for overcharging fares at 9. So, Greeno, that will be the story for discussion.
Okay.
And this, I think, it's not just in Ashanti region. Even here in Greater Accra region, it's something that is really happening. And a vivid example is Ashaiman constituency. So we're very familiar with Ashaiman. No? So we bana usi overhead ho. Na enyumre upe car from say Ashaiman traffic light area ho to Zenu, Atadeka, New York, those kind of stretch, you know. There me yana say drivers no moon in pass hey ye ko Katamanso. Ye last stop ye Katamanso, but on beka chow said da amonko Katamanso. Na amu last stop ye Lebanon. Utsna kan na mudu Lebanon ni biya. No asan chow said me twaso ako Zenu. No asan ji extra fare. Mudu Zenu ni biya nso. Na so me ko Atadeka. Now, Aji, Mudra Tadakaya, also make what Katamanso just say, instead of him doing the straight route now, initially Katamanso, I think it's 5 cities, 50 pesos or 6 cities. No, after you end up paying more than that. Now, just say, why your budget will be beyond to say, I say your budget amount. And it's something that is happening, it's really happening, especially with a shine man. I've been a victim for this instance for so long a time. Now, you're just fantastic now. Fair no, I was someone from I think Ahinema to Kokoben or
Ahinema Kokoben.
Yeah, I was someone 3 cities. They're charging 10 cities, 7 cities difference. It's outrageous. They are na we are say. Me Sara bibi say bibi yama koma.
I really know. One who say take advantage because of situation aya na adesa. Enipa dodo no a ewo mu no on say normally ade san aya na nipa podompem ewo kwan ho wati ase aya na traffic jam ewo mu na omo hwe sa situation na afi ye gina so e dey charge because definitely e was a wundru fie untumi nka say because of lorry fare ya wonom eje abrosu ni ntino untumi endru fie na me problem any say for how long and mo be cost why sade no is it that omuni empanimfo a wo mo ebetumi ama enhyehyeye atimi ato na kwan mu ana se omo ankasa no enhyehyeye no mo nni so ana se diadea na kwa we be se emu GPRT because most of them are station cars emu GPRT for wo mo ntumi enhwe ana bu no mo bu wo mo ani aguso because this action no so appalling to the extent say to the bia no passenger na wudina ho a wo twen car no woni beba ahoso no se me fa ne se kasoa wo de kwa de so use ashama stretch me use kasoa stretch because ho kwan so na metie se kasoa na bia wo kwa obeka kire se me kwa odoko wudu odoko no so kwa no onsiw ba bia sese wasiwo odoko no onsiw ba bia sese siw no wa kwa siw to no hwa because no nipa no ejina ha omo so efa ka akọ na wasiw nti se ube ko ube ye de yo emfa no ho wasanduru ho no mo a wase me kwa malam sister wase me kwa malam wodu malam junction na watu aso me kwa barrier na waju barrier eife wodu barrier eno so wase kasoa na se kasoa na wo bedru no so obasanjo kasoa fe kasoa so bi obeko new market eno so du kasoa na no wasanjo new market lo fe na chese at the end of the day ni se kasoa no straight car na things this a oni baba ahoso no na what you be 20 cedis odo won sopping and ade we no enkoso only at night
and even daytime
anopa dawn time wo ba eto da bia nipa no gu kwa ho bebre nti no otimi ba bia akra straight say na ayi ofro na obesi wo ye ha junction kura na obejo akra fe ofro na kosi
people do that on people say me see wo kwan so me just straight for and I ask myself, you see, here is the case that we always attribute these things to the government, saying that the state or the economic state of the country now is quite difficult for us, like like Ghana, let me put it like that. But we are all contributing to these factors. Now, driver, now when you say, no, I'm going to this destination. Now you've decided, say, oh, just kind of soppy. You see, now market women also everyone say obi wo kodi dwa market now am we to as can so also the big guso now who driver no come market now you are complaining about the prices not high regulations start all this kind of things
regulations no na enko ye e wo no akachi anase dey because definitely there must be a rules and regulations govern wo. But I don't know because I na tell because they were mate ni kura no obekasa wo kura no obekasa ma me won tia won gunsi
na wo so ade asa wo ye den a obefa.
It's so alarming. I was pending for sure no mo come was because most drivers a station car. Most of them are station
you see because to me, you know, I would say that I'll really deal with Anajodian because make I say maybe in your that time, you know, and besides no many a times Ashaiman and then make say, you know, they don't get to the stations like Ufia Koraba you see overhead homicide and also Ashaiman traffic. Yes, even though a station car at that point in time, yes, on station or coffee into a bottle for the into at that point, you know, station master anyhow or in the best the air coso.
Oh, but I said they are aware. Oh, they are aware. They are aware because yes, me must say charge. They are aware, but the thing is, they are not saying anything about it. They are not saying anything about it because honestly, and yet it's so alarming. To that sense, I told the big crowd and I make an Casacra mate in Obe Casacrano, Sebi, as a fear, and yet almost no munyas, but then penny for money.
Can you say no? Most at times stations cast and shada and the Sanko maybe brain. Omo Muludu station. And your money now. Your money. Oh, and your money now. Yes, I pay more fat lapping no any station be or no a penny says I could feel no. I'm on a motor
Samum.
Pina do but most at times station cars no Pina yes sir.
So and the Marco. So means to me problem they say because Oko friend say yard bia mama kanesa ukọ transport yard bia no a obia wo baby a owo a ehomra gavin no na edin say obi bebo trotro abra won hye union bia ase
omobo
Sam
your taxi drivers bia oni station
on hye union bia ase
no ane so na musa onya dropping
no no need dropping for no but you only dropping for no but trotro for no are you sure say no only union bia ase
Yeah, or trotro for baby.
Or trotro for NBA. Or sometimes crampo no. Say even if it's a station car, no. You find say Sundays there. I mean, say many times drivers to my moon driving. And I'm more the mates no. It's almost a more fun. Every year they are more no. But see, even if it's a station car or not, like I've said, and I'm still repeating it again on record, that we are always complaining that our mind why a ding. Let us not forget that it starts with you. Because on Panama could just walk off in your manabano. Oh, I bet to my process now in the fame mono. Suppose to put out in the fame. Also, drew market honoma. No more rain. So, also, the last big so. No, so to mama a boarding. So, everyone said, Mr. Macodi just maybe to do with you. Mr. Bar, I'll increase it. So, the circle keeps moving in that order. Now, if you are buying a work or boy buying, say, a buying a system, forgetting that a younger say you soon get buying B. And I contributed to those factors. Into maintenance, or driver. Sometimes, make I say one of the days I make point I make. Initially, for Lebanon car, 3 cities from Ashaiman traffic to Baby Awokono. I'm a reduction of fares, no, about 3 cities. Mates, na car niho. We were stranded. It was just 5 cities. Man, because I'm meeting him. It's in a moment, room, baby. I may say, because I'm messy in the same of Ubesians. I'm so meaning to sign. I'm 3 citizens. Also on James on Joha, or better. Bedroom area, you don't know about me. I am. It's 3 cities that taken you open so boomy because one tell me your bar into person boomy. Me money 3 cities all hamia. The original fence 3 cities. To when you are just over boomy. And the mean train mount. And again, people also look at some drivers also look at the personality. They are taxi drivers no more paying much me better. A honey has a car was someone no more about 30 cities. And I ask myself, are they into one time driver you can say now this our address shepherd say who's only 30 cities ada. It's one so in pants as a can watch, you know, and for coins, but oh, surely penny appearance and our charging. They are the edge. They are the edge.
Me concern a trotro phone, still I'm a concern your trotro phone. Once a kumikas and see baby home union be as so that means a baby one more year or more pay. Nanya then union cron one or mono conversation or maseno. A dear no more year because a banisana a one more year names of Musha Union as no yen someone yes a bass or mumudina essay. And tell your mumpa can be fast because it's so uncallful. And yet,
and Americano. I was saying, Tiasia said, and yet driver Biano war union
Biasi. And
so what a lapenda.
Yeah,
good. You were lapping castle.
Wow, for
I or no new station or new union, and one saw by Charlie and a young Quashaman or quiet, you are saying, name down suman. Yeah, or send them quite command and one saw a dear, a human or a baby or Bako.
And no, a home so babyano, a hot emra, and tis a never be a old abandon so manner. Honor and fun. And the price of common money load, and this woman money load.
Also,
even most at times, a big crowd could dinner station now. Union station entrance for no more broken or no more brokey into Oko station where I for car. Oh, no, I'm foul.
The thing is, Obi na kwan and obeji na oh yes because yet me mo kwan da ye mo kwan da omutua yes obetua
most at times no eya na obe say union pen for no ene omo ko na tuko na tuko ye na tuko asema ye kan meba asema ye kan ne papa mu no say ye wo bi a anka ebe kasa kire na e wo sanka en kan kire Ghana for say so ko station na ko foka but modern say ubefo station car there be no advisable say so we took kwan ko station car say na impose on e makama
exactly
on cyber because of ticket na e be ma no but here na ye mu bi ye pentem so ati ase ye rush no and say ye ni akofo sala pe omo mu nipa o
onim dia ma sa dia
so no omo mu nipa
onim dia ma sa dia no so rise bebre no is because say when we say obi ho no ma e bia the first time odi ko baby obebusa ni akata so ogina ha ka ni bi beba gina ha ka ni beba nipa na gisika
enti me ba in this case asema o hwe atu betwa
when there is a friend is regulations are better regulations et we betimi atwa
nti e beba da
better enforcement
there be mechanism
e betimi atwa any see aye kan panim for hwe na mo for bonansi for you know na hold one
there be mechanism very difficult to be trapped. But again, say cars no more, just like we're saying, say cars no more be na I'm get close to a station no to load no. A honanka union for na mo for ma amuni nhwe. Na of late, there may say if be a station in
if there should be a better regulations it will be me.
And you say you the money nam krum.
Emphasis. Right.
Mate.
Emphasis.
I don't for months now you tell me your mood in ya na emfa kwam kura o.
Me dey me yan say dress na ya mo dress na mo di charge no.
Na emfa kwam kra. E na ka me kwan say
me mo ba mo dress sa bodam fo.
O ba da dress sa bodam ni sa.
Image multi
me dey ka me kwan say ne trofrofo no so. O mo mu ni pack tek do na especially.
So me last so we can from from Ahanamo. Ye nim higher. So matter eko me kofia 50 cedis. I'm say brad den.
Mo so mo ka ho.
Brad
me di mate da. And sometimes say time I di mate no. You do na ye pai ma ana ye pai ye keka ma daytime omo muayen o. Ubisa ne say wo kwan kro.
Oh but the case is different.
The only time I will say passenger kasa mate ho ne say ebia nsuo to a opentema foka akoni
mate na ye dey da o me say me di mate
na botre me say me di mate no say passenger
omo madress the from time no omo kwa da bi o sika crown so
say wo bisa passenger
bi o botre mo pa ye nchew
enya so pa ye cho ye bo pa ye na ye no go so nim say fe na wo je na enya sa nti no be fa strategy bi no
no be make na ya drop no say na ye be dia no ansa na matini.
All right ye be da mase anopai ye da mase say nkoma hodo nyina mo no mo de abre ye da mase why Monko pe bibi ndi na.
Yeah, ba ho house in baby. Mi be hu.
Oni wu mate ya wu di.
O ba me ho.
Mi be hu.
Na
your doc no contract me into them.
Na there.
Okay.
Na bo.
Bo. All right, yeah, Doma say, and come out who another pay a baby PMO or my mama de aba. Your friend of Daddy Lumba, there be your friend of the late Daddy Lumba. The late Daddy Lumba, name or say Nabutena Cherade, a Kada Krumpona so waba. Kunidino Ebeba Quambiaso. Live on Max 89.7. Max Morning Dew.
Max FM 89.7. Welcome to Wednesday morning. Yeah, would that? That's who I would. Young Quay. And you may aim at the pa. Did you holy ever say, and you may offend the agro cacra if you now come. All right, I'm saying, Hamana Suna, Yemfa, Auto Tips segment, and to us, and Famao.
na ebre bi na me di mate a me ye imagine say mesua driving na futuo ba ko a me kai say me master da se bre obi a wo suhum to enuma papam taxi station unim da se bre aha da se bre na kire madwuma an kire manwie kire me so na mansua so no so na kire me ne papamu dia steer control ena da se bre kire me na futuo ba ko kan ne say se wo twi car na so nam kwan so a ade ba ko wo se wo mfa nto tim ne se hu se sebe driver ni a oba wo anim na so di wachi ne sebe oye bodamfo na se sebe na dwen adwuma enti abere bia no se wo tika ma wo se wo nye careful se na impo se ni odi wanim na se ni odi wachi na hu se bia na driver na nya na se sebe impo se na dwen adwuma no oba wo so a ubetimi ayu hu afi ne esane na ode ba ohunemu na no na yedi nkomo yese ye frɛ no defensive driving yankwa hamane so na ye ne SK banu atwetwe nkomo na yenji nkyerɛkyerɛmu se ye ka sɛ defensive driving na ɛdan na yenhwɛ sɛ nia me master da sebere ɛka kyerɛ me no ɛyampa na SK banu anɔpɛ ye mu akye ye mu akɔ abɛde ba Max FM
yo mejimoso na mismechia watiefo ni wona wohwe wo abefo tinta so ni nyina
yagidi e pasa no pe wadidi
oh didi e sheda ni di na so nyami di odum no nti ahoden ho
ubedidi wate yagidi ayo anope dia wadaro ma ye fra wana ye penkyerɛkyerɛ mu se ka sɛ defensive driver na den na ye mfantu ya na mo ewo ye ndada asetenam
yo esa chia atiefo ni wana hwe abefo tinta so ni nyina na se de bia meka no sa medjuma me ye na me consultant o ye friends sa ka di akoni abedie ni ho niema nti we nyina ma hyeda fa atom ho so na de bia no pa ma gisima kakra de kyerɛkyerɛ se be ya yakwan so nantie o ka kam be ye jojo na ye ka defensive driving a we say football so ye wo adibi say obi a say the best is to offend so person we defend ya say we offend that say the be say we the any edin e the call opponent no edabre but ye baka kamu di antisa say the odi kan no master na the ochiro na pepepepe so be o ye professional driver papa bia no unya kotra we see anani pair hunu se sebi emfa ho enipa ne dibia ana ne nimdi ana se wo de fa ne se wo bia wo wi ase bia company 43 na wo de fa ne se sebi omo adwene nya adwuma nti sebi obi adwene nya adwuma ye fa ne se wo wo omo wo adwaye wa abontini ade wo dware na wo de bia ntuma asen ho na wo dware na sebi bodam ni bi suduru ho o si se ne pe no wayi menye sure say bi wa wadwene ye adwuma no wo de wadaja no be chesi bodam ni no that the defensive nti ada say obekoto anaso wa ye awatie mu apem wa bi a betimi aboa ama wa bo wadaja ne ho ban sabepepe na ka aka mu tie enipa na wo mu ewo akwan so no nyina ye fa ne say o madwene ye adwuma ti say obi adwene ye adwuma dia na say obi drive basabasa e ba wo na e say obo ho ban say be ya onfa ni yone no ana kwahia no emehia wo nti say ye friend say ono moduru bi fa say hoye intersection ho cross junction say ka di oba first one say okọ better ha no ye form fa nya adwuma we bi okra red light opese okọ obi oye defensive driver bia onye bibia ti sa ana da bia we ye defensive driver so a da bia utimi anticipate say ka odi mani ka odi machi we no opese wo ye professional year so we your driver ni papa na usua uhu uhwe ni pan ne ya wode ba da obehu timi hu say na ebekwa akosi na wodi kan abon ho ban ansa na wadru de ebeyem pempenso a de musu na esane ebeba no that's the defensive ntini ye free bi say ukotra okan ma obehye o coat na obehye say obudi 100% concentration na e kan oka no na afi wa observe bibi bia de wo benku de wo nifa de wo anim de wo achi e say as around o ka no de wo ho bia wona wonam form wona ka ekọ ni nyina wo observe ti wa observe we no anticipate say sad we ya mi huni say na bi ya be de beba na say so we di kan anya esuahunu ana wanya ne hun kan ansana se bibi saba wo hunu de obesi aye na say what tolerate niema basabasa se bi nipa no say wo gidi say na dwene nya adwuma nti niema obeye bia no omfa nya asem na so de ne ehuni wo hwe ye nkran ha no kaka bo drama ni se bi obi papa ni mu pa to say wo bu ne ho na obebie na no asem abefi n'anim aba no kwa hwe kra bo say na wo ya abefi on tolerate eno nye defensive driving no ana nipa no so the odi be ye wo no se wo ye wadwe se okoye bi kra no kra be ye west adam de nanka ebia odi ono de be ye na say ko school no se obi ye fun so na wankoka na ko reiterate a wo kra punishment na social de ono de be ka wo no sa pepe na ka kan so tie wo hu se nipa na de obey se na ebesi aye nti wo bo ho ban mama abedwa ana ye free bi is better to be late than to be called late. We say the late can within one say why a funeral, but what you say. It is a authority standing my name na sa di bi nipa na ba no chase maka krabia. Aba boa bo ho boya bo say japade any friend say niema ho ban emfa kwanhia bia ma ebema sa wo yene na nka ebeti buebue ne etu obetwa. Nti wo di try ka krabi na ebeboa. Se bia odi mdika tente na ba bi o se me was skill no o maniva no rura kamu ye obi o ye defensive drive bia on drive sa ana da bia so o drive na me ke da bia o drive ni pa na wo anim wo nchemu wo achi no o drive wo madwene e ka ho na wo ye sa dia da bia bo se wo ka no akwanhia no be ba de na so enko ba se be free ana be free kura emma se e be kwa akwaye the magnitude of the mass of the and kwa ye kese be bra e be kwa fa your friend say buebue e dia bra busuan because be tuma say una we friend say breadwinner e wa busuan num na say wo so ko gidi obi ni se hu na wo ye akira na afi ekofa oyini ene ne ma sa e dia ba afes obi o defensive driving bia we na be say that be at least car na mra wo pon bia o de be ye adwuma yes udi ka chara no ye ne ye ka your friend be friend 2 seconds rule my gap spacing of gap aka wudi na chi no e ma say wono bibi ko ba obetimi anya kwan na wayi afa ho na ankofa oyi na ama ana say person ogina watimi agina at the speed of time no watimi edi agina nti say wo dey obi a we say we professional driver na say one fast side we anya nti we say na e bia anka driver for hihye wo mu ni say anya kura busumi sia bia anka say o she da call refresher course no require sa enema we say no e kai highway code ne regulation e dey ka ho no na so sabi mpanifo titi esro no on emfa ne ho da say ono wanya disika na boso so ye tua ne ka nti o mo fa nya adwuma ye fair be continuous education bu say ni pado do say na wo kwaji ne license na ko renew license akoye sa adi na san ya renew the license ama no o frɛ o mo sesi a obeka say ye enso nya mi na me ka kire o nya ade o mo ye because me aye adwuma ho minimum o mo su ni o mo ban obi obe be nti e friend say CEO our bay Julius Nikwe friend say Kotti so officer obey adwuma ni ye pade a omo mkuku ho nyina DVL nyina mafia senko na go omo de be boa mo no omo ye de say ye be boa ma akwantu ay jojo na boa ma akwanhia kofom no de enye omo ene no omo adwene nti so ono officer obey adwuma de on penny pa omo wonim de ye be boa no na ma na adwuma oye na timi atumpon because we are defensive driving and yes continuous education here nka sani maniema we nyina na akwanhia bebre afie say November na asimi who the rate of a year oba say swati bete edoso any pay abru 2000 in kika ho mo epirepira obi kura de wa pra for life wontimi sorry enya bibia abi nti ye hwe say ye di sani ma we ni na ye adwuma ebeboa ama akwanhia ne oyini na to atwa awoye man
yo SK manu anopai yebedo asene adesuade a ode agya anopai yeda se pa
yo miss me dem asene de bia mo so mo de ebo me pon na se ya extra do se de bia de nimbi ka kre wo no ye ne amansan nyina be che kopmi se ye be kan se agu ye wo me dem asipa
wadaruma fa na ma ne tudwa na yenja kwan
yo me so bi pe se oni SK manu transfer key consult for edi juma obetimi afre ye wo ahmatrofo so 024 479 5465 024 479 5465 so we ankra so we ekuo so we sorry so we bibia o friend ni mbra be hia yɛbɛboa yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ ama yɛ nyinaa yɛsua adeɛ na aboa yɛ ama wo adwuma na woyɛ no atumpɔn ama ɔman no nso anya mfasoɔ ma kwahyia bebrebe a ɛne ɛpira ne ewu a ɛwɔ yɛ akwa so no ɛso ate ɛde ama yɛ medam ase paa
SK manu anɔpɛ yɛn nso yɛda ase sɛ yɛfrɛ wagye yɛn so yɛda ase paa ne nkyerɛkyerɛ mu ade aboa yɛn yɛda ase enti abusua yɛn sɛmpa SK manu ɛna yɛne na atwetwe nkɔmmɔ no sɛ woyɛ driver ni na wotie yɛn a anɔpɛ yi wopue fifi afa ne sɛ driver ni bi a sɛ ɔhyɛ kootu sɛ ɔhyɛ atadeɛ bi a huni sɛ sɛbe nananom anim a saa nipa no ɛgyimifoɔ ɛsan nso obi bɛtumi akra afifie na ɔkwabrane ɛde ne ho ɛsane ɛde akɔsane obi ne n'abusua kwa ɛtɔ da accident ahodoɔ a yɛsie yi amanfoɔ fi hɔ nyinaa na ɛyɛ ana ɛnyɛ ɔmo mfom so na mmom no ɛyɛ ana obi ɛna de ne ho sane ɛkɔsane ɔmo enti SK manu kyerɛm sɛ ɔyɛ driver ni na osi kwan so ɔmo ani na hɔ ebi a wonim nipa na ɔba no n'adwen yɛ adwuma te sɛ mea na ɔde abɛsɛ no abusua nyinaa enti o drive o tika mu a close your eyes David one can say close your eyes or say don't close your eyes mo ani na hɔ
o mena ni nyɛ dɛn
ɛna hɔ
enti ɛna hɔ ne close your eyes no
one can say
nti wo no yɛ wa wo brofo
sɛ ma sesa
yɛnkɔ yɛ nim na de ɔde bɛba de yɛnkɔ yɛ nim
yɛkɔ yɛ nim
yɛkɔ yɛ nim yɛkɔ di dwa
don't stop it time no na yɛn so yɛ abrɛ yɛ home kakra
abusiafo wei yɛsrɛ mo abrante we nkasa yɛ ka na kyerɛ mu fa ne serious asina deɛ keka kɔ die
stop it time
why dey
stop it time
nti wo kyerɛ a
yɛn so yɛ apostle show mu all right so yɛn kwadwa so na pɛ yɛn kɔhwɛ ne ma hodo abusuafo de abadwa so yɛn hwɛ se yɛbɛtumi atɔ bia yɛbɛtɔ bi so ane yɛde sika sɛ yɛde sika so tɔn so dia na yɛgye sika de afi mega cash lucky boss live on max 89.7 bɔbɔde asɛ ɔde ho bagim ɛmfa ho ne network bi a wɔso bɛfa phone wa dial *426*8# na do ho agimu eba no a selected number 2 max radio essence any station a wutie na no pay why ade nyankopon hyira wo man kwantente on fa duane nka ho efe no achi boxes ebeba 1 to 6 bomori answer be select o lucky box o box a be select na ebe kire sika wudi nti eya na wadwen ho si nanako bonkuto na eja wa select number no baako eba sika bi ebefima ba no abusuafo dia 5 Ghana cedis ni akire fato so the more na wo to the more na wo ma usika kwa anim na kire se unwini point ahodo nyina eda fiada Mass TV novela watch and win what to ane afrew what the 2000 Ghana cedis ye no ka se o Mass TV enti bomode abra beje wa chede hello when ye okay when we need 10,000 when we need sika bomode abra beje when we need t-shirt eno 500 Ghana bomode abra Mass TV ya oda kuma junction bra beje enti bomode ase odo ho bagim anopai okodwa so so bomode ase agro bedibi na disika fa kodwa so hyene so 18 years ni akire anka mbeka se 18 Ghana cedis ni akire mesrem 18 years ni akire na agro emutimi edibi enti bomode ase ode ho ebagimu
wode wo ho agim no na kire se wo nya sika ato botom na wo pɛ phone na ebetimi nso abɔ adwuma yie pa sɛ de be ya wo kyena bi no ekoba ne sɛ wo bɔ code no na sɛ wo bɔ asha yɛ nkɔbɔ star enti sɛ wo benya phone so ya kama so de Philip Essence must buy for the Philip Essence phone aba free 10 ekosi 20 ni nyina gege no different eguma hodo 9 start free 64 ekosi 256 ni nyina ene sɛ ukita 800 Ghana cedis a ubenya Philip Essence phone adiato ekwa akosi 1475 Ghana cedis kope bito na onso so fa flex iye papa from us by na jo Philip Essence phone e was 0544019552 0544019552 visit our website www.massbuy.com.gh bombadia na kwaje Philip Essence that one so diagoro ni become a pa
yo ehwehwe mu kire say nipa ebedo so e heaven pie radio presenters
tamum ne say ho
but kumi kasa de menka ho
na wo de wan kasa be da ka ho wo de wontu mi ka ho
yen kan sa say Max FM and Max TV presenters yen ka ho
na say wo say
Max FM ne
IMAX Media
IMAX Media
yen ka ho
yen no ye be ko heaven
okay
yen ye radio presenters any TV personalities ye be ko heaven en kaifo ni nyina nko heaven
o mu nyina moto nsu
ai esan say ni enti ese radio presenters na be do so wo bonsam dem ne say eya na omu di adanse kira manfo a enema na eya na omu di hu adanse na omu kro mu yusu bi da so ati ase omu yusu bi da but yen na eya na ye wo Max FM ne Max TV no
o si ade yo
phone na ye di Max by hu adanse a ye no ye ne Max by ne di dwuma
okwasem
enti yen computers ahodo yen fridges ahodo yen conditions ahodo yen
phones
ahodo ye yusu nyina no Max
by
enti ye na ye di hu adanse a ye nim ne ye ka ye yusu bi da ene ye nim say ya agenkwanti na ye di hu adanse enti ye na ye ka bomode anse obetie esan say yen woni ya na be di agro heaven woni bi a minim say obekọ anase wonko ba yen de ye bekọ enye wona me kan
me do ntimi nkasa
omu chi no say ni mo bra mo bo wetu
sen de omunya de omu bedon ko nu kwa de
ombekọ ene omekọ anya hwe kra no me kwa metimi amanya ko pon bribe na eja
odi na wuram tifa ho bedon ko
bia o tatie max pa etu de wo bi a tie max abobra bi a ope me kwa wo protocol right enti e kan say no bomori ase max by yen showrooms ahodo nyina no beba wura ho ye niam na egu ho ni nyina no bomori ase obetobi esa say papa ye kan say no na ye nim nya ye kan enti bomori ase obefre na waji nkirekire mu 0544019552 na bisa buy 2 for less promotion no na ye nkirekire mu anopai yakohwe ne ma hodo a odwa so yempem nko ye nim na ye mfa ye street vibe dwumadi na to aso emfa ma na enne no yankwamo no eye simple and tietia eno no obroni be kan say simple and short ana
eno ano no
na simple and tietia ne yeden
ene etwi for de
na simple no etwi ana
ene efe ne twi English
na simple ne twi mu be kan say
you say
simple
no no simple
89.7 Max
simple ye ni twi simple no
Max FM
ketewese ana ne yeden ketewese ya ketwa simple
but brothers no so kofa he na ekoye
say brothers no mo bon nwumi simple my baby simple
it is simple ni chidi ni brothers okay yenkwe e mate
yo iti enda yankwamo no brothers and short simple and tietia enda ya bisa se efia wade ene kota wade ne wa he na wo wani je ho adenti ene wani ji fia wade ho adenti ene wani eje kota wade ho nkirekire mu ne sen eya ne yese mema ni pi esuru kota wade sebe esane kwase abunti esansan hwe ya da japade nyina bekwa kodi oba ne ho daache yesi mema ni pi nso anije efia wade ho pa esanse efia wade ne yekirem so ho kwan so otimi wade bi eka ho otimi prapra kire na mpemfu asinkonwa o be ma de o na be ma de je ya na yekirem se mema no anije efia wade ho pa mema ni bi nso anije kota wade ho man nso pina ya chirim se court awade eje keka na waka ne siasi so e court e be ji wajapade nyina ma no ena no pe wa wutie ye bisa se court awade ni fia awade ye bisa se ne wa hina wani je ho pa adenti ana wani eje court awade ho adenti ana wani eje efia awade ho enti ye betwa ho aba ye be ma ho kwan no adwen ho ye koba ye the beautiful green no ena ehya ase ye bisa ne se sadachi na ni baje ho so kwa wade a opefie de na so pe court de no open ye we
yankomra
obedwen ho ho
medwen ho wo de na ye court ana na efie
me wade obi antie o
wale na ye court ana se efie
me ye ni fie
enti wansan court So sign court.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence Duke every Max Buy Abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and one Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you out absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop.
This Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Which school has produced the brightest mind? What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of respirited debate and fierce competition. Presec Secondary School, 7 times winners. I'm producing NASA Intelligent.
Atomic Energy Commission Ukrumano. Omo yede wo.
Kwani Presec can say go up.
Kumasi High School, Truth Conquers. Yan can say Truth Conquers.
Truth Conquers. When St. Augustine is talking about, Adisade is talking about the best is always good for Adisade. And then St. Augustine, perseverance conquers all. Truth is what? Then I
Truth Conquers. Mo persevere, mo yede is truth that conquers at long last.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4 verse 19. Tune into Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by Kanketsi of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
My joy will ever be.
89.7 Wewura Max FM wa jidu okita se
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkɛsene kwasi ada untumi fa do adanso untumi fa bladanso kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu kam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji wedi tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi fe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masaya se
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Aware padi ameno binya Lisa Dento Odobeya menye yie Aware padi ameno binya Lisa
FM 89.7.
Ene na monsempa ma afiwe mu be wade no monsempa ye bisa se wawade na wo ko wade no open ne fie dia na se open no court dia ni bia onchirechire mu ni sa denti na open ne fie de adenti na open se enkombrem na untintim nkrata ene ne nkoma na no pa ye di na ye bisa se wawade no open ne fie dia na se open no court dia ni bia ye mu akwaba Max FM Street Vibe yade ebra o nti yenkwa na yenhya sie fi the beautiful green na yembisa ne se na wade no open efie dia na se open court dia ni bia o tintimu sanne ede ne ho ene ni kunu ehye mrase ekina bi egeteta na je se be mai ene anya asem green no yentie we
aha kumi medie no kwasem ni enye se ebia me behye madwemu se because ebia ejapade ana se awarija yi ana bibisa nti ena ebehye madwemu ketin se memfa nko court me de awade de to me ne papa mu na ni yiye mu no enka civil marriage no nka ye to me ene ye me de enti me da ache me nkofa be ma ana be ma me fa me na oso me de ye brand ye bo enti ne awade ye busua ene ade enti ne ye nye fie de nko a dabi mempe fie de nko a ene de ketuwa bi kwa na ewie be san wo court a tietia enti me de customary marriage ene civil marriage and I say marriage under ordinance I will go for civil marriage
utrim ponti ne sen
me trim pon say wahu say ewiase no obrɛ mu obi bedi a eya enti no se me se afei na me be ware na se be ma no wotiri mu pesa da cho be ware ba afofra aka me ho a ene on ware ye nyina the same day ni ye nyina ye mmere on ye nyina ye nkosinsan court ni ye nyina ye mmere nti sika na e ba ni ye nyina ye di na emu me nkoba se ye bebre a na da achi no watimi agina yie no uso mehia second wife dabi enti ne se koba ne se opese o ware mienu di a ene ye nkosinsan court ni ne mienu o se emiense nyina ye mmere mom ene de mini problem enti no sabi ena me kwase abu ohoi eya enti me ne wo mebere na daache aha akaka so bi bedi sika aha emfa enti ene de na ye mienu nyina ya kosan ene ekobese we are in it together we are dying in it sabe pepe
why are there
wano kasenti
wano kasenti ubenya no waya yankwa hamano so yebisa tiefo ofie se ene se ho kwan se okowade a opefie dia na se opani ade onsa ebetintimu enkrata el court adentia onchechirem ni se wo wade ye no wo ye ni fie dia na se okosan el court watirimpo ne sen ye numbers ni nie 0550055522 numbers ni biom 0550055522 ana se obetimi afre 0551598321 0551598321 055005 5522 yankwa hamane so hwan yo ye why why
Ofa K.
Ada order ambulance mu ana.
Ofa K ni na kwa ho.
Yenti o ya monitor.
Okay, I come up to medical abuta about and we are no looking talk about what you at the time about then the
me ma wanu nsi meti ase se ye nyina ahyase de ne ye nyina ye brede a meti ase na dawroma why
yo ofa yenti o
February the men opportunity here okay course the alpha also say you feel for them the something that say after I don't know about them my side I think know that you got a young person to say that when the baby you see I get to say you are working all we are concerned with that after I kind of about the way I will go to
Yo, ofa K no pay yada se ene wa futuo 0550055522 0550055522 and I say 0551598321 when ye
Deborah Odoko.
Why?
Good morning.
What's why?
Deborah.
Oh, you mommy ya say.
But your name is say me dem worry me nka bi simple and short na pesa me try utwi you know.
Yo yate.
Yes minute yawa simple and short.
Edey.
See any tiawa.
See any tiawa. Yo. Yate yada say yo what's up no? Yo. Ena obi se brothers no. Yo. Hello baby wantimi engina so yenko ha mpacho hwan ye?
Good morning.
Yes sir.
Oya Kwame, that's the driver.
Kwame, Block Factory.
Yeah.
Anope Kwame yentio.
I'm Monkasa. Nano pena Monka driver from 1 mitaka. Bobe di sa kwenya na driver for chro ma jinkakra. Ba monti ndi mi semble paramodi onu subeba. Open the kase. Everybody fan about Santo Moto anope. Ye biara wo afimo Everybody enfamam. Ye meka mi say. Esi aware, aware. Because ye share mama mo and ye papa mo o mawale achima esina no moye awale etumejina awale entumengu ena ye se ko wale ye kokko ye ko san tapade ni de obani do bekro bibini na meja wo na ofa osu beja wo enye wodia obin su ba de e ba besa entity ye prini na yeti enwasi na wale ofie simple na asunje ba aka eye ba ene obi pene drenti o twend ya bin okọ wale ya na efie nkọkọ enko sesan wasan anya wodia oso beja wo esaneti obi nso ntu aso
yo Kwame anope yeda se obi nso entu aso sa na Kwame eka no Kwame chiremu a ma mo pay mo ye ne beautiful Kwame na kan hello when ye
kubi ka ta le filibo dashi
yenti o
ya kubi anope nya meshira ono wa hode abdoziara eduma pa mo di bre ne asempa mo di bre no na si ye kire aje kumi o sometime no if you are no ye ani de ga se if you are no ye chen kwata ware ba na me ni brinti ewo ema ni mema no bema no ba no so push say no o ware na fia ware a o be ma no be sisi no the man now push say that no matter how say we there o go court no west side but sister we obafa the obafa no can say so person ware mienu a say the omu mienu yo mebre and say the nti na e bo say twi brantu na ade na ya moku twi brantu e be say ware mienu e twi tu amuzi mu nko mbe say moje Yaro de kese na why jeni ba ko na bebre ska ba ono be dibi na ba ko so ye ba ko ma sa chick e be ni sa je won suru
Yeah.
What's it day?
Philip Tesi yeda ase why?
Philip Tesi say saying.
Ose ene yen wade mu nyina mbomu mienu no ose ono onya adwene.
Adenti. Nanti no obe wale me na mabebre na ewie chori ba ko de akada kwa side chick.
O de sika ni bi. Otrem se ono wade obeyo fine.
Enya fine asem.
Aje se de kakra bi keke na.
Enya kakra bi asem.
Ebe prapra.
Enya fine asem ne kakra bi asem na ye ka no ha. Say ye ya bre no nkwa de. So wo intention so obe ware mienu a me de me ni problem. Oh maame me de me da chi bia me wo intention. Say mo ware mienu. Krache me pa metimi me pa mintimi. Ene ba ko no ye nyina ye ntena se ne ye nwale. Ye wale wi a na che se nyina ya brabom. Me ne de me ni problem. Na entimi nkoba ne say obi be huhu am obi akekasa there bi me nso me ne nya adwene wo ho sa
yo mpacho hwan ni e
good morning
Atamas
ata anope che say ye ami me ho ye
ano pe dia ama ma asiri papa ama ma ka te benya di ni te di ke nya dia I want to na uta but da chu ko ba from why no wa beautiful you give me saka ta ba me ko ma tem so you give us ogbo wali mi nu Ghana han no mi se se mi ni de mi hu obel ma na so ba se ende omo ye oba ho di mi ni da me de mi hu bi da nti so no be ye bia on set example na en ye you me so me da me fini se ni efi awa na me oba be preso be court because court the bibi bala so ko ja o wa twa ma so sa efi di ne omo frɛ busuafo ya o papa 1 no ma che bibia na wo di afiansa president ebushum wo yi bushum intermediate on the end me preso ke me so batoma jeni
yo atama sa no pay yada se pa 0550055522 ana se 0551598321 ana no pay bisa se efia wade ani kota wade ani we hina opɛ ne we hina wani beje ho se da che wade a obeye adenti a onkyerɛkyerɛ mu ne se mpa che hwan nie
kumio
ye
na sister say de we kan no me nya adwe kumio say wa bɛ no abeto oba fo mini ni twe bɛ no abeto oba fo so dem a ewo me hono ma oni be tena bogwa na de ntokwa besi
ene akwan bi aso ntokwa besi
no se papa se wudi sie media ene akasakasa besi
na mpena no ye twa ye de kire
ene de mo bre no because no amutire ya na mo si bibia wo say ye transparent enti se wa ma transparency amba mu a ene de bia ntokwa besi oh maame me wo intention se me pese me wale mienu enti daachi bia me wale mienu e bia be ye first wife be ye second wife nipa de te no ho ase afa wante no ho ase na okọ ne baby enti me obi na one me kasa asem no a e bia meti ase wati ase e bi so amenti ase enti se meti ase a meti ase
wo be bia wo fi no ebusia wo fi na be bia wo atete no be wo ti asem na ase no won de we ti bo wo nti ase sa wo di ase ana kumi mi so se mrofo no omo ye efia wale ana kota wale
a court omo de na once and for all a court
omo mamre no
o say
omo mamre
no said ya wusi chire omo mamre no ena ya so ya mamre no nya botre ya so ya mamre no ye fie de na mom sabi kwase ya bonti ena ye dis awe bai enye so ya mo pe na mo dia bro enye sabi aba sabi kwase ya bonti
David. Nemrofo ne mo bu emrofo ma no so mo bu me man kwase wa brochi. Say ya ti de bia.
Enye obia.
Yo tashi da bi ne bedia ne Philip yada se why yada se 0550055522 and 0551598321 Bremo na yan twetwen komo pa che hwan nie
Mr. Kumi
Sister Joyce
Papa
Suhuma no pay te sen
Nyame adom na me na ho yede
Nyame adom Mama Joyce me ho ye papa
na ya me mama ite ya
Osumu ho
mi sumu
se ya ye usun ka me no na ho aye enum kwa so dia ye
kate kasa chira no mame
oh ha me mama dodo
au
Majai
aben
Majai
Tese yese uta twimpa se wo se uni ama no ho adon som dai na enye
No.
You, Sister Joyce, you.
Yo, Miss Master, say. If you are well, no. Ye. Nti ukwa wale ya ni ukwa sa odishe utimi se Japadin ti o mu se nkwase abu ye ya obe ni ukwa sa odishe utimi se nkwase abu nti no wo se me koye ne court wo sa udwene nkwala no nji se da chi kura no se nkwase abu se bi nkwase abu ba mu na se wo bia no kokora o ma ni nya bia won so wanya bi se wo ba ni nya bi pe won so wanya bi nti wo kɔ no fatu wani se wo kɔpere ama wo ma ukopre mama na nkopre mama kasa because ubeja ho uja ho bi ba befa ntimi so masem
yo Sister Joyce wo suhuma no pe yeda se Sister Joyce achirem so ne de efie de no nani eje ho pa yo hello when you
good morning.
Yes sir udi ba bia frefi wadar ma fo no ben fo ni kakra wae
Pastor Mr. Marina.
Entio.
Pastor. Go ni ene do ko to ba so yen sen ko se du bia oba no nsi dam se bi wa be no su nsi oba no. Ba yesu ya membre mu no. Go ni be ma ho kwa se court no on ware oba ni ni. Oba no oba ti ase sa. Court no ma ko no sa.
Open is saying.
Mr. O say, over Chase, say, Jamba Warua, Yanko Court, Member Cecilia, that's no what meaning to me, catch over Chase. Yeah, many really see no what meaning at the movement, but the moon that's not. I had done what you do, but in the time, you know what I mean. I'm a like I said, what I want to say, of course, and I'm like to say, no, what do you mean? That's the head and I'm over the middle, but I'm saying, no, what do you mean? But the other number, Thomas Swan, like I said, about 10%, and tomorrow and down over chances at that time.
Was it Matthias? Yes, sir, as at that time now, yeah, we be Anna Sabio, Niji Aban, maybe quite a minute to 7 people. Niji Abana will be catching them in a honor Matthias. Beginning by I got that. Same over me, but some years from same more me. Me say, Uba worry me, you know, said you will see Chileya. A chassis and one, then you waffle your meaning and no valley. And I have brother. Like I said, we'll see me ready, sire. When you're ready, now when you're ready, natural and bear ready, any element, yes. And I want to say, tell them to move if you are. Was it one tears another? I don't think if you are I don't know if you're let me go to now, I don't know if you're not going to have Brunidian, say, Jessica, do say you.
Yate, Yadamase, why? Montfam Tokano Switcher. Yeah, that's what I was say, I don't know, Uncle, if you're dear. Now, Bear Brunidian, another Brunidian, I said you, a Jessica, do say an idea. You. Benedicta Amache ewo Max Morning di WhatsApp group no say court marriage stressful pint your need and any end your home. Pacho when ye
good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Beautiful to say.
Me say me prefer civil marriage under ordinance. Nyamia dom dalaniana.
Ayo no
ayo oh nanu mi busa wase ba want to me ambem
brana be kata sia no question of family na all bisa onira fakon if I need to say who you ready to be one ni no a ada be ne ho ade ni second wife no so ho ade one ni be bo bra no na mo abre ebia no mo ebi simple
tia Tia.
One what say worry na the same day. Me what na mobra. Who how ni say so when you ready and ba ku na why ready worry ba.
No.
Kata dia ni say no question. Who will think for time now credit. ma mo apiki mi jina so na question we nipa ni ansa na outside we aba no pass dia entina ye nuanum kemofo ma no so nu so be ware ni nu wadi kan ware wa ye be so be ware ni nu a obe patao obi bisa nya wo pe eti wa kuma mo ka kire na o de ma o no ko ware aka wo ho na mo nya ma be bre sa na mo de mo mra tie nti to ye kise na o to be mi sa nipa na kire o se ebia o be ware tie wate ne mo ada no ware nya mi nyina wa ho di tinya no wa ho di tinya en ware ba ko le to ko ware ba ko jai wa ho di so a no ko ware o mo asa me me ke die
you all right Madela no pay ya da se mpacho hwan die
mi ma fara bi mo pakle
wa fake yentio
about kana ebe tu ma just parliament just no ma ga na bara pa about ka de be wa na si apa de se ga na so ba ma ba ka tro ba da mi da to kana wa da ka wana ta de se ni wa ni mi ma ta de no de no ba ni bi ha so ta ba de no ba dia tu
you all right
ofake wa na wo na wo ka
all right ofake yeda se 0550055522 and I say 0551598321 and then no pay twetwen komo na ya bisa se kota wade ene efia wade ne we he na wo wa wutie yen wani je ho pa na se ho kwan ne ba se ukọ wade a ne we he na wo obepese obeye se woye bema se woye oba ne we he na obepese ukunu ebeye ede amount your number is 0550055522 and I say 0551598321 and patch when ye
what are Emmanuel Adenka
Emmanuel Tim Emmanuel nyamene ye ho Imayentio
patch me pese minya bibi clear kakra krom hanu utumi ye court ye nko a ana say traditional one is the minimum to me and Quaba court the no. At this we traditional one as I bet me the court the na count me court the no kwa.
Ew.
I say no bisa na say
obisa. Me bisa like let me out sorry. Because I court because marriage at the ordinary kwa me traditional one and one.
E betimi aye possible.
Possible and I say betimi aye possible.
E betimi aye possible. Ze me nware da. Nche betimi possible na mate cases a nipa mienu aya adwen ba ko no mo anka se mo court
akọwade a abusuafo enka ho
oh yeah
omanya hwe e wo fie
omanya hwe omba ya refreshment kakra bi omo di kan kwa ye court no ansa na later omo di kwa abusua nanim so omo pese omo ware ai anti betimi possible
omaya de pa
tani nyina gina omo mienu nti ase e bia pese o ye pese ye wale ye ho ansa na ye de akwa abusua nim enti secretly no omo akọ court no omo akọ sinsan eni omo ya wale fu abi just that omo de be kire abusua ne keke
omaya de why ye mpene omo ye
eni na ye sanity
why ni
bacho bekini kata maso
yo beki entio
le bacho ai kota ware ni efia ware me prefer efie die esa ni say enam ebia ni meme bi edi ye manti na bi prefer say me nye court die ba ware na ukom no fan say tin say e chapadi ana nipa ade anipa ne wo na wo ko aware na ko amu mienu ko buma ye ba ko enti ye fan say tin say obewu ana bibi be si ana obeja ni amekwa ko pre ne chapade wo de ko ye de enti me die me say me prefer a few die no support die
yo Becky anapai yada se maminchia Mr. Kwaku Ejapon o say anapai otie yendwumade na ne ba ne dwuntini ye friend Kwaku Sam akoda ketekete kura che se o chirim se nani eje enum enye so chirim se talent ni wo ho pa wo nwum to adwuma na papa yi so asi ne bo se o mebe meboa no enti anopai yembo so se anopai otie yen Mr. Kwaku Ejapon ye momodi ase de ne ba no ebeba na ye ntwa ne interview kakra e friend no kwakusam small boy pa papa na ne abue se ja ye mu bi esi su ananka ye se ye be boxing ye papa moa yen
musu nyuma drosu
anka me se me boxing
wa free sabi eta ho ko boxing
o se tane de na anka me ye sanka menyi a na anka me kwa brochire na anka makoye se adwuma no ba wonim se na san se adwuma no ho ayi aba
sa
me nim se videos bi wo ha omo ye ho competition bi so hwe e wo me start amanfo tana ya hwe ne otimi tampa na timi wa ho video no
dabi dabi ina Jesus aye na
me de besen no
o free sini twamu so o sabi na o pesa o ye comedian na no so waja atwere se kuturuku bona ze
kuturuko
akuturuku bona ze so pesa obo
akuturuko
o talent dosu kumi
dosu talent ba ko asombo pa so ma brabo mu yadwa mambo mpa cho hwan nie
agent ni kaze Friday nta
wadaru ma yedie wa no pai
in fact topic menti ba mi tie kwale na o cha cho na me ke se aware a esan court ye ofie ye na ya na
ye bisa se awade no ne wa hine wani je ho efie dia na se ne ya sensan court no
me try last year say na ka me no baby wa sa 70 anyan ware o ja say me prefie dia no pa me wa ya na isi anko fo che se wanko san court na se wo mompe me de fie dia na ensa da me ware
ye na ada na James wo de wo pa fie de na reason is saying
na denti na me ware se me kwa na obi che se me kwa sensan na obi a witness che se me ntia why a impa no sensan e se yen court nko san
na ada na so chenchina ye ntina fie
na sa ware de ebusuan for na transe enye court na wo ware man
ebusuan tu ya no finalize no court
na eno no ebe den
ebe bibi wadawruma
saon okay me etiti nimpa ni me petite for de ni
okay
James yada se kwasi apia e wo Max Morning Dew ye WhatsApp group mo say court marriage no eye pa nti obi anti ase se court marriage de eye Vidash me sister say I prefer both traditional court marriage na che say
ni me no ye fie de wi na wa ko sign wo court
sister me nya ho Benedicta Amache so part of Max Morning Dew your WhatsApp group no also say I prefer traditional marriage more than court one. Okay. Enti your WhatsApp group no ya to ni di Max Morning Dew so anybody who say your group we obedwane na fe nkoma hodo nyina no o de nkoma aba bomadi aso be send ye hi WhatsApp 0201 163665 0201 163665 o send ye hi WhatsApp your producer at the Ebeka Max Morning Dew your WhatsApp group ne ho na enkomo bi ebekọ so ofia no wo ho kwan se undi bi e wo ba bia wo yemfa two course enka ho na yemfa frɛ dwumade no ensi mpacho hwan nie
pato yimane benzi na line ni drop here
okay yima yenti owie
yo mi pacho my yes survey kakama hu se mba no obudi omo adwene na because me my man is court ni dey na worry but some worry court ni me nye japade bia mi chiwa mi worry we as say na beautiful green okan uba na nyina ya bre na ya japade no but unyamba no na say uni omu start talking stage fine but or statistics obe no hu say uni shall see uni vision bia uni aim bia enti no me hu say omu ba no omu adia ni say o ye kota property your chinabi normally no property ni na yenko wari okot mimi solve katra ma ye no mi da mo.
All right, yate yenso yeda say Vida say I suggest traditional marriage is the best option. It is easy for divorce. Oh, okay. Enti Vida say no traditional marriage na say no so person wunya ya ɛyɛ na simple pa and cancer so a part of your Max Morning Dew group no say I don't like court marriage yo yate yada say cancer why ade yo na Vida nkomo ya all can say okay what the emfa last caller na menka bibi emfa Vida nkomo ba cho hwan nie
Kumi kasa
ba ko pe hwan
every nanti driver ata
oh mini aboko
oh ade adumna mo
ami ya ho ya pa wadaro ma yenti o
oh me you know people are making it there so yeah be my house so ko ale dia kokko e be mo ko bi na mo ko tira su ya na ya wa ni na mo ko ko na ta mo awara na mo wala mo monje mo buni ani tina mo ko di vere ko to dia ko ta wala en bodi en dia me mi apla min kan to ko na ko wala ko ta me ni be
yo all right yate yada se pa yada se na enkomo ya Vida AD ewo maximum in the group no say ono no pet traditional marriage esan say very easy say open divorce ubenya na simple me to me meka say emobi anda say if you awade opese
wujaya easy it's not easy
to me
easy cry
me meka say court de no cry easy
because I feel like busia be simple ene mo ntena ha kakra we ntena ha kakra mo nhwa mo kakra nya yi osofo bi ka asem bi wo ho or say when it comes to divorce ye divorce so ensa ya wade ba ye divorce so eji nipa nkwa enye always the case say me kunu chiti me kunu ye say ena me di jaya wade what I say when it comes to a friend say nipa nkwa mame kanisa nipa nkwa se gobra e bia ba ko beje ba ko nkwa afiri ni nsem a enu ne na yetimi call for divorce but enu nkire se bi obi si koye marriage e fe ne say under ordinance na wo pa kire se e bia wo pa age we japade ana se bia warija ye da che no the thing is nipa no at least to secure your marriage what you say to see me to me no kwasem nie ene na bra ne kai no ye bra bom enti so wo intense so ba wari mienu a ne nyina wa wale yen ne ya tena sia brabom simple ene ye court no ne ya sinsan me yiri mienu nie ne ye koye baabi me yiri miensa nie ne ye koye baabi se ene ye court no so nyi ta ntuma ne ne wasan ba ko ne o te wo baabi at least to secure your marriage me no is not always the case say na ba ko bewu ama ba ko afa japade daabi na what is mu nyina nso mu wu oh
yeda se yenko animu enti yada obi bia se wa ba mu adwenkyere onim dia wabo ama yenkomo ya bedum pempe so yada se enti course na ba na pi na kyerem se efia wade no na eye ya mamra omani eje ho pa pe course na ba ne dia na kyerem se pi na kyerem se efia wade no na omani eje ho pa na Vida wa wade ofie pa ade eya na eya nika ne se okọ wade a utimi nyo papa nyo mame enya abusuafo abusuapan ahodo edi wachi se me kọ wade na edu se bia ukunu ye bibi na wani nje ho na opese wunya ya sister me bisa se why na ebedi wachi se me koja se me nim class se obi akra hwe ebia da mi koja wade enti dimachi papa kranko
ensanko
ma mi koja wade enti dimachi
ampa most cases ya na wa na wode wonsane wa
ni be na eni wani menfa na ni koje se mi ko hwe enti ya na ye kase efia wade no opese unya ya ya na no ye simple enji se bia opese mbu oba ne kwase a ntum fifie nkotena oba bia na bia na obi anka hwe but wa na eko edi wachi ede wo akofie se me koja wade ya na ye den ma yenchia Eunice o so tie dwumade no ewo across so enti Eunice anopai ye chia na ye twa ho aba twa ho ba yentie nwom ba komienu bi mra ye ba na afei enkomo ba ko ho a me pese no so ye badwenwen ho na ye susu ho before ansa na de People's Parliament dwumade no bebro na ye ne mpanfo bi ebetwetwe nkomo e de afa na no ye ne yenuanom private securities etwetwe nkomo omo kirechire mu nkomo ahudu pi atonsa from mpanfo na omo bo mo so bo ne se he mo mra mo beyi ma no Yentie nyum we mra ba. Yes, I won komo ba ko a ye no mienu ebesusu ho. Max Morning you live on Max 89.7.
Get that you panka.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Tiasia mama yan worry. So pini suna me no kabum ne dan suna e waria. Ohima yan worry. Tiasia mama yan worry. So pini suna me no kabum ne dan suna e waria. Obeti pi. Your wedding can never know. Your wedding can never know. Obeti pi. Your wedding can never know. Your wedding can never know. Uba worry me. Please say yes. Me draw me yet said those players. Girls need the pin able to buy naka. We are perfect in all those layers. The way to a man's heart is stomach. Some hard drink need that restaurant. Say 5 CD pona me you before see near the mama tini aroma. Mimpe way na mimpe diye. Okra all qualities. Me ya media. Black beauty. Me friend sweet melanin. Your wedding day beche and grand finale. Mimpe limo. Me papa troka. Sene be ya me di be ye dede. Say OTP. Make sure to get ready for me, my lady. Oh, him I am worry. Tiasia mama yan worry. Say up in the tsunami no kabum ne. Dan suna e waria. Oh, him I am worry. Tiasia mama yan worry. Say up in the tsunami no kabum ne. Dan suna e waria.
Max FM 89.7.
Your wedding can never know. Your wedding can never know. Obeti pi.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
And if you ask around, you gonna say I'm undone. No. Ask your party, then go tell you who I be. See me, I never go rush, I never go blow my horn. No. I'm praising the Father, He will make me who I be. And where can I go? What can I do? You are the one, hallelujah. If you buy you.
Young queer name, your friend EL 2016 Artist of the Year. Anameboa. Nana. I think say 2016. Say 2016 and there was a non-commercial Bisake Day and winning Artist of the Year. Yeah, me sure.
You in a
I say attending culture.
Next up Jamaica.
Artist of the Year and the yard and the about year.
Me love will never be alone. God, you they take me place, I don't think say I go. But you they show me love will never be alone. So I go raise you high, never go low. My God. And if you ask around, you gonna say.
All right, I'm saying I am queer Nimana and Koma who do I catch in and Yemfa and Twaso and Fa Mauna. And you ma otini na no DJ Holy International Holy Insano.
I'm praising the Father, He will make me who I be.
Mensu ya frame kumikasa.
What can I do?
Na yemfa nkomo yi entwa mutau. Enra ye ne awofo atwetwe nkomo. Nkomo ahodo a ye de ma awofo ye ne awofo ache nkomo ba kumienu bi. Ene nso ye pese ye ne awofo enche we. Eya na mfumso ba kwa eya na awofo eta ye pa ne se ye wo nkoda na ye hu nkoda ne se nkoda ne eyema. Omu kosro eba fem omu yeyema omu nyin krampo ebetwa yen so a enkoda no eyema enti fitibra akoda no ye dabi twi be na nka mekan efi ne nkoda bremu ye hu se akoda no na ye ma na so we de timitia ne tambia enti abre bia no ye wo ho kwan se etia akoda no ye wo ho kwan se etia akoda no enti se akoda no ye bibia ye tia akoda no. But edu sakoda no run a teen age 13, 14, 15, 16. Aya bomodi an say approach no besesa ne kakra. Esa say ho na akoda no run ne youthful age yanka ne sa. Sambre no ahyase ahu ensesan ba kumienu bi e woni nipadua mu. Enti ya na eba ni se na akoda na de ahye ni tim say okay after all menso ba bia madu no menso menyin menso meye nipa ba enti ɛhɔ no na wa woyɛ awofo no wa hu sɛ okay sɛ me ba no enyin enti o sɛ me nsesa approach a ana sɛ me nsesa e kwanya na me ne kasa bra akoda ni so na ahwe ye hɔ na de mfomso ne ba no enti sɛ akoda ni so a na ye tea no saa bre na sɛ akoda ni ewura ne teenage a ye hwɛ kwanya ye bɛfa so ne akoda no bɛkasa enti na mpempi ni ye behu ne yesu akoda na soro na me ba na soro because approach ne ene kasa na na ne kasa bra na usua no saa kwan na so na akoda na du ne teenage no ne kasa ɛhɔ no hu so no yɛpɛw sɛbe nkuranyin bi ahya ase ba ne motua mu ne baabi enti ɔno nso hu sɛ onyinyo no yɛpɛ enti ɛhɔ no na ɛwɔ sɛ wo hu kwan a sɛ wo ne kasa obehu ɛne enti na mpempi no bo sɛ sɛ ɛna me ba na so ayɛden ɛna me ba na so ayɛden na me ba na waba so ɛyɛ wo ɔwofo no approach a ana sɛ kwan a ɛyɛ a wofa so ne kasa fi ne nkwala brem no onyiyɛ no akwada ne hu sɛ wo mu no enti ɔno nso obu ɛfrɛ no obu amfa ma wo enti yɛbɛsa akwada ne yɛbɛsa awofo ne sɛ enkwada ne yɛ ma but ɛyɛ na ɔmudu ɔmu teen age a approach no yɛnsesa no yɛhu sɛ enkwada ne nyi kwanya ɛfa so anka ɛka so ɔmanim no yɛnsesa enti yɛbɛsɛ sɛ awofo no betie na ɔmahyɛ ne nso ne ɛtɔ so mienu ana yɛde yɛn nkɔmɔ yɛsie still no yɛsan so ɛde wei so ɛkɔ ama awofo ɛyɛ a yɛn prepare nkɔda no ansa na yɛbɛwo ɔmu akyi a yawo ɛyɛ na akɔda ne yɛ baako wɔ fie ɛyɛ na attention no ta akɔ baako pɛ so but ebedu baabi no sɛ akɔda no baako san bɛka na sɛ nkɔda no yɛ mienu ana yɛ attention nyinaa ɛkɔ foforo ne so ɛba ne sa na ne yɛ panyin no yɛyi ne baako ahyɛ ne nsa ɛne nti na wobɛhu sɛ nkɔda no yɛ mienu nso da bia no ɔmo ko ne nyinaa ne sɛ panyin ne hu sɛ wo nti wobaeɛ no ɛne gya nanka me wɔ fie ha sɛ na nanka me maame ne me papa jeje me so no wo nti sese wo bai na nte saa biom enti e ba ne se ma akoda ne nya otan e de ma ne nua ketewa na ono nti mumua no no enti e be se akoda no wo ho ana se akoda no wo ho na se pese yen wo machi a yen hya se prepare akoda na ansa na ye de foforo be ba ye de naba yen hya se se ye te akoda na fi ye ho nkakra ye ma mu hu ne enti a ye te akoda ye te ye ho afi omo ho na nkonko ba se yɛbɛgyegye ɔmo so na afei foforo ba ya na afei mpahin no yɛmbua no ɛhɔ na wobɔ sɛ obi ne ne nua ɔmotoa na pahin na abɔ akɔda ne mu tum wobɛka sɛ bi a na adan na wo nua na woyɛ ne saa
de bia nso nkyerɛmu
so akyase ɛyɛ wo ɔwofoɔ no ɛna wama pahin na anya ɔtan ama ketewa no
African parenting
because ɔba yɛ no sɛ na nanka wogyegye no so ɛma na ne gye fie no sɛ saa attention ne nyinaa no ɛkɔ ketewa no so first na nkɔ pɛ bibia ɔde ma no but say because of say we buy anything no attention ni nyina akɔ we so e ba ne say we ma onya otan e ma ketwa
kumi ma me fa we enka ho e na ebie mu nso so no ye maame no ma omo awu awie no aya na to da bia favoritism wo mu dodo because de bia yesi e na last born be hu say e bia pani paade a se de wo ka no
me ba o mi ntwa no e wo ye WhatsApp group nim no Madam Benedicta Amache de atum said that one is true. My two kids fight all the time. To a same quadano, almost time be a
just a nonsense. I see no muntino. And I make an attorney because one woman in a year, no bedroom baby, no sabra body, yacho. Eh, be crying a penny and I say, do obey him moi. Uber was say, mamma, no, on fee. But last born na say catch no ebeka ya na ye dia man I thought there be an favoritism go mudodo nti ya maame no ne ya no mu nya isa because when ya won kwala ne de you have to treat them equally any kwan say wo ma ba ko de eso sene ba ko do say e bia de sin video but any kwan so ma ba ko de eso sene ba ko mun treat enkwala ni nyina pepepe de obi peyem fama de obi su peyem fama ne antimi mfa ma obi nche obi ho sa e ba say anytime bia wo de wotan ene abufu ene hye ba ko mo nti yesere mo African parenting African mothers omo hwe na say suban no omo nsesa emfiri mu dodo no a
enti enda no pay kakrai na ye de ebre owufo bi a otie ye yeda se wagye atum se obetu ho anamo yeda se ena no mebisa the beautiful green assembly went to me and you no maybe san is identity na sebe se ye dwonso a ye to entesu atum sasam na hu mu aya mawo
oh kumi me nyini ye de me hu bi me ya kra na me hu bi but no so kra na ye se be ya obi mfa Jones or obi nye de whatever ata ba mi nyini ye de menkai
yo and then so me wo asemisa ba kwa de ma enka nchem so nwade ye
ene bisa wo ansa
enka nchem
bisa wo ya yu ho no ansa
nwade
na sa me nwade
but still ayi ma no
e de asema
eya mpempi no se awade fo ofia na sa de san na sa omo koda e de na ya na yetahu
ya topunu
adenchi anka meka so wa boa pa
me ma boa ni ya topunu
mesi adenchi
na za de wodi matama bi
dabi mesi adenchi anka de achepa
anka meka se me ai gumi ya careful na nya punu ni yatum
enye no na make
na de na woka
eya na yetahu se so omo koda ema no eda wo ne ho na emema no adampa nanim adentia
ase edi kan atopunu mu ansa
okay odi ye after say atopunu mu no impo se be ma ni di kan koda na se oba no
otra no no akoda chiri
ai adenti na mba no ene da wo ne ho na mema na
ene die no kwasem ni ye beto ye minti menchire nti gi se wo bisa holy ene me producer no kwase because yes
exam sa me ye onyina no untimi
da because me nwale ye no kwade minti mi ena ye mpani nsem a ya ba beto wate ase se yes bibia ne se de be ya bibi ni a be ma ne be sori entem so na kire se wate ase oni ebi a adekro na kwa akoham saa na wonom ekire ohu enti no me nim botaya potinti a saa de no etesa ba kakra ene me mo be se me nkwala adwene ne me nkwala nyansa kakra ene se be ya bibi ni a be ma ne be yentem asore no ne adekode no edi ahyiamu saa na me no mama adwene ekire me ba me nim peninsem ti we di awarefo no bisa wo mo wadawroma se wankasa so kura waware nti wankasa yu ho anofa wadawroma
yo yɛhwɛ sɛ two course yɛmfa mboa yɛnuaba grino na ɔnte aseɛ ne nti a sa wadefo kɔda bɛma ɛda nim na ɔba ada wɔ ne ho 0550055522 anaasɛ 0551598321 na max morning dew yɛate yɛn whatsapp group so wani bɛgye ho sɛ obadwan ne afei enkomo ahodo ye na ye ba na yedi ewa fidie ne so opese ye na omienu ye nsusu ho ansa na ye famra frama ma enu ne so obese ne hi e whatsapp 0201 16 3665 0201 16 3665 o se ne hi
na wadaw ma we de topic here ye treaty na obi nso de na agye nkyira ba e wo platform ne so ti bomodi ana he obi si wudu ka dum light e na obi nso akanta no nti bomodi
when ye
ko be Philip ne vantage
ade nti na mema mo da nim
o ku bi ba se si an won se titi no e na omu ye mpa ni sa so be ka so be ma we a se BBC a se de oba ni kan no be ma na ba se si an ye fa empa enkosi wo ho na oba na koda wo ho na be ma na da de bi se si an ye chem mpa na ye se mpa na ba na ye ne ma ni da so ewo edan ni finfin pepe nti we da ha ade because se si ma na ya bi se de betinya ye no betinya ye nti se ye mfa mpa enko wo ho bi nti si a wo oba no so face be ma so be face ha ba ti ni de be ka so to try to be ma ho ba se de ma ni se de betinya ye no ha nti se okwo obi ade ma on fa mpa mpin wall bi ha si ya untra okunu afana wako frumpa dabi se ni obi
yo na chese oba ne be manyina da mfimfini
yeah
yo
aha ze mpa no ye di tu dan ni mfimfini be dan ni mfimfini aha nti untra okunu bi se wo be fa ni se na wo so wako ha nti se ano sa na mpa na ba ti ni de eja
yo Philip Oteshi yada se nti Philip se wabo na wayiwa no ma Benedicta amache say light off come first before position of sleeping ti o chirema ono ya adwene There be so crowd was
me ka say epono ya tupunum e na apia nso kire say na wan tupunum a ansa na wadu right
seven cre
enti na mo godo mo tupunum
why na eboa ye why nie
Kofi Oyoko.
Oh, Mr. Kofi Oyoko.
Yeah.
Wadaru ma ye mu aye nua be.
Do me dance. We never acquired the kind abeka this year, but money and one man. No matter what baby are empanisi. Who be say then ba ku dan kan na ba ku de chiri. Esi hin fa kura ba ku di kan ba ku de chiri. Ana me boa.
No cre.
Aha, enti say si hin fa. Still answer no. Say no because it's in fifi kura ba ku di kan na ba ku di chiri. Said ya mama no mo hye no. E bi sin le e gusu tisa. You better say na ma fu still in sign because said ya ba ku di ani mo da ba ku di chiri. Na no mo hye ni mo no. First no we say na bone fo sem eni na sefo na be ma una wo bo wo yire ho ban in physical spiritual dey fan say nyame. But physically una wo bo yire e ho ban. Eti una bone bi e ba una wo ka ko face. Eti wuna wudi kan ela de tosu mienu sunsum kakra wo mse bia no ba no kwa fikire wo beda pe no bebo watra no so se sa bia se dan no emucha enti na no so no mani nje sa ade no ho sa be no mo be ma wo da ho no na oba de na twitch ko e ba bebo watra ansa na wakwa akoda eto mi ye hye no na wo se oba no be ma no di ani mu na oba no e ko da echi senia etie eno no tere bia o mebo wo entra aha ta na de ni ye by next day can a dandy a cassia, which him from Panano, or Cocodaba, still, or Banu Gusu de Chile, and a Bema no Gusu Diadim. There's a still in society.
Where do you penny, Mammy Miss Anna say, Empo, Sasanet, and no, Obani the kind dance, Sana, Bemana Bedana, because Beman definitely or Danwa, or Barney Bibisana, sell or Bebatrano.
Sir, Sana, so Bemani became for da. And some Obana Babeta. All question of becoming.
Because say a banner say or banner fichi communia dear definitely or the kind or banner babatrano Anna.
So you share your first and no sabit of French, you take grass and not before no man Korea. Not I didn't say or Baby Kanko de Jabema. I refer to Bema Baby Kanko de Joba. Because Bema will do we are or Koku or Kona for some morning of Natif. Oba bedina na yada etina entire sise obema be kwa da before na yere beda e na wo a wo bo be hu ba ma mimi se o gate man eni efiura mana da gate ano
gate man
efiura edika e fere se gate man se de bia wo bia o na se dian ya la efiura be bisa na ho akwa da dem na gate man go si da gate ano. It is an anetie. It is said, yeah, Bema Ludican Kodakurana. Still, Oban Ba, Obiano, now what or not a baby as a order. And then Petty and Bigimun so no. The Biru Oba and Panabay Dia, one night at Chileno. I was on a Pimodan. I am not space your or fast space in home, a cocoda. But those are name and anonymous say, yeah. Omu just say be kato se beauty French mo ni mo se kwase anti ni asemre bi se le be ya obi ho ombu on fa ho se e be se ofa ha do ko da se de bi ku da so so bonitra answer be dia to ho no mama o se ye first de na wo de tira o ma me bonitra enko e ba jo te ma se
okay
ndi o de bu e se de bu ni pa ho ban keke send be ya obi enkoye niema basa bi ni ya na ko ba de bredia na enu enyembra enu le ba ya ni ta makai
you Mr. Kofi Anopa ya bedo ase why
komi obi bisa se topic no eno eni sen the sesi aye ka ho asem e wo platform no so obi nso de na dwenkyira ba se be yo mbebo abusua no ho ban no bebo ne yere ho ban nti we de wada mo fa topic no to dwa se de be at least when to me amba mu kra na WhatsApp no nso no betumi e de na dwenkyira ba
ye bisa se adenti na oba ne bema e koda oba no mpempi no ma ne da wo ho na bema no adanim enene asembisa ye bisa iyo enti Mr. Kofi na me no na di me dwuma wo
oh okay
onim de pa
okay watchire mu nso
ono crowd more times my ton sa friend mo aba studio da onumade o
nice one
onumade pa
nice one
nti ene de watwitwa agye
oh once me kire madwe say me nim nimpani ze but me nkola adwene kakra ene say e bia bibini a be ma ne be so da hia what you say until at least to protect that you say na ene e ba ne say ye nkwa ye so ye da no so e na bibi ba so be ye
mo nkwa na moda
ya ye nkwa ye da ne e ba ne say holy e ba ne say be ndan
mo nware na mema mo ho ban
ye nye dey
mo nware
na be ma nkwa de timbo obi hu ban
na obetimi akofa police anopa Monday to Friday so metna wo dan no mo ho ban
obetimi so wo sika nkwa de a
kesi eskani ni we nye be ma na be bo ho ban
na dey ye nkwa ye ni me
and mo ho ne frame so wa ba fie ti ye frame se me bekunu
wo he no wa ba fie ye frame se bekunu
wo fie
wo fie no wa ba fie
kwa sa da me dwane o kwa mantimi enku
wei
na me yere
wei na oda ho se me bo ba ho ban wei mo se ne o se ma mo da kire o se ma mo da kire
nya se yen se e wo se ye men ye da kire kura dada
wa ya de wa hu position de ne ye
man da kire am da fam
ene ye eye
ande ba chimitimi ya na makwashe mpa
wa kwashe mpa na se wa ya de
sa da no me ho che me pa last be me da fam ana me da pri ya sa na makwashe mpa se afi me sori a na me ti apem
o ti apem mpa
na da funu adaka na me da mu na ya bobbo mu na che se
unja ho twabere
sada me yam hye sa yam hye ne sada na ketimi kume to mpa na se mi pagya mi tie na mi tie apem mi pagya mi tie apem
o se ma ye kokuru mi ahada kam
se ja adaka nso na ja dam na ja
o sole enye ye kafra ba woni tiwie ye kora na hu se wo hye mpaase wo
hye mpaase yo yankwa anim ya do bibia ase wa ba mu adwenkyere onim dia waboa ma yankom ya bedum pempen so ye da ase be na otwe enu bi na ye hye ase ye di nkomadi afa ye state of private security services wo Ghana omone emamu tesen omotebie mo masetena mu atesen obekaya na no ye to nsafra ye nuanom mo baye ebe kire so musika se monye etoda insurance nsem etoda ka kra de be mo no na ka ne kra wo insurance ba onu otwi ka no insurance kura no eye ni health insurance omu kire mu a eniema hodo pii ene hi omo ewo madwumani mu enu achi mpemfo ahodo mo da o no abase da bi nkrofo no na se yenuanom amonne omo ekasae no ne omo kan ye no kre na so ye wa no yi enti ye pese mo ma ye nkwan na ye so ye mra na ye meyi o ma no enti da ho kwan ba ye ne mpemfo ba ba twetwe nkomo no ye bisom se na no yenuanom anu omo kasae ye ntoro na mo twa to mo so ana ye nkontompo enti ekoba ye ne mpemfo be twetwe nkomo ye be ma ho kwan beba mu asembisa bi a wode ma ye mpemfo yi na wode amomo Max Morning do live on Max 89.7 ye twa ho abe twa ho ba kabo People's Parliament.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insulated cry. Essence due kesi every Max buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and one Max buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you now absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. For more details, call us on 054-401-9552.
Hello, Ebusian 4. Your friend Nana Dakwa Jesse, the host of the Max Sports Park, and Max FM 89.7. If you joada, Ekosi Fiada, about non-crew Kosi Dumia Nubeboa, program no air live on Max FM. Na nika 76 say yasisem ebo non du kosise dumienu beboa program no SIN live on Max TV eho ene ye boran crofama so nyakofa the major leagues around Europe, Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie ene de kikaon afeso so ebo na kutukubon sem dia eno a any Max TV, Max FM. Unim say Bukom Boxing Arena. The BIA ho Professional Boxing League. Ya the hun seminar ebeba Max Sports Park Jumedie no so. After so Ghana Premier League, the Women's Premier League, and the Division 1 League. Here is the statistics and all the details you want to know about the local football. And I think a good sema ekoso yemaimu. Your segment this is the predictor. Emuhampa, ya the matches beba, ya be more odds. Now so what's me trivia DB. Sounds so any of the big interviews and penifo kukuda omo kasa edimu ewo Ghana. Any we are still good ensem. Omo any omo etwetwem komo. Inti Shiame, minima bedra for if it's Joada, Ekosi Fiada, or Max FM and Max TV.
Watagwan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. Warat!
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae.
This Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Which school has produced the brightest mind? What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of spirited debate and fierce competition.
Augustus has produced all the best dignitaries in this country. We talk about Pakwesi Indum, Totobi Kwachi, and all the high brothers went to St. Augustine's College.
Master, stop your bin.
Central region.
If we say for Obako School, this is for Kumasi High School.
No commercial.
Have you heard of Agri Memorial?
Oh, Agri
That's the best school. Very, very best school.
The Kumasi the account schools are two schools, Prempeh Opugua.
Kofo went to which school?
He went to Prempeh. Prempeh is the college.
And Tiada no we a Prempeh College over here president, no. One can say for schools Nianto colleges, no can say for Monto High School.
High school ni college pay.
College invest you. College you go America, college invest you.
And Tiada Kofo say young school in high school.
College, you know who's more.
Kumasi High School right now. The Minister of Education is from high school.
Hey,
high school is building a stadium.
I must produce all the athletes in this country. Ajimota has produced over 3 presidents. Kofi Annan went to Infantipi.
What came out of Adi school?
Tell me. Now more from Adi school. Canada just one from Adi school. The best comes from the central region.
The schools are no one central region.
More moving science and math schools, no. I didn't produce. And then project balance equipment, Ben, what produce Ukroma. What you are job in the national maths and science schools, you are winning at the end there. Quantac won't even produce it.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
89.7 Max FM what jidu okita say
Maji wedi tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi fe be dia ka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se.
Welcome to Wednesday morning. Max FM. 89.7.
All right, Yasamu Akwaba, Fabra Max 89.7, Max Morning, Diana was so good to a witty, and I feel now do a video not to Ayamu Akwaba. Rason say, yet the People's Parliament, you may know, a so at the amount. Now, Sana Yadikama was swatted no. Bear now Chimmy and Senny, and your shas, yes, ye didn't come at the state of private security. Companies and as organizations a war memuha or ma sitinemu or modabremu at the same. And I know yabo modern to suffer private security guys association in paying for na yenu amo twetwe nkomo na enkomo twetwe mu no na empanfo ma yete asese omadwuma no enyo enya kura to da ekom oh omu kire mu ani edikan o makatu asem nye eto danso a inadequate training obu ohoba ya fa na adwuma na otwemienu yese kwe ya fa wa wie kwa adwuma wate enu achi ne awie no equipment ahodo e wo so mo mfa ndi dwuma ebi ni ho omu kan ya kan se oh se ubem se private security personality bi na se personal bi etika mu a ade ya akra ne se card wo insurance but onu nipa na otwika no oni insurance or see omo working hours enso do so papa no ye complaints ahodo omo de ma yen afenso omo se Ghana fo onhye da mbu omo oh adentia omo ye security adwuma obu e friend obu Ghana fo enhye da embu omo afenso omo welfare etoda enyenyenyenyenyenyenye enyo ema omo ba ye ebe kirikiri mu ama sada no kra no ye nkra yesu bu omo bi oh sada no misunye papa na adwuma we na mafa to musu e de sade na mo kan de e de na che sampa ene yesi de bi nkomo ise na mo kan ye momode ana ye nto ensan frem penfo a mo show mase na ye mi so mo se enkomo ye mo di ana se asema mo kan e yampa na denti na penfo ne so atena ase ye nhwe ha e ma makatu asem ekom ni mu insurance nsensem e ho akoba asem ene ya to nsa Fred Dr. Ibrahim Abdurrahman or your National Chairman Association of Private Security Organizations or Ghana ha yene no e ba betwetwe nkomo afen so na so yene Robert Alexander Budu e ba betwetwe nkomo na Dr. Ibrahim Abdul Rahim your National Chairman Edema Association of Private Security Organizations Ghana ha afen so osanso your National Chairman Edema Private Security Guide Association or Ghana. And I feel so. Robert Alexander Budu Labi. And so a prominent security professionals. Or so a co-founder and the CEO at the Mega Force Security Service Limited. I feel so. Or so a board certified physical security professionals. It's a for me and we and mo a barber train como. Na yabisa se adenti na yenuanom omotibiano etesa. Empefo no pedi madaroma ye mama chen e mama kwaba e de Max FM.
Yeah, yeah, so.
Pam choso bia ho ye.
Me adom ye ho ye.
Adoma ye ho ye.
Ye ho adom ye so ye ho ye pa. Na ena no ye ne yenuanom atwetwe nkomo Private Security Guys Association. Omo chirem so madwuma nenye. Omo sikasem omo katua insurance. Afen so obu ahodo e wosanka nipa emfa momo chese enye kra madaroma impenfo mankasa ewo ma mo own point of view private security companies anase adwuma yi mo hu ne sen omo welfare no ewo mpempen so a omadu ne ma me nhyase emfi Dr. Ibrahim Abdul Rahim so aja madaroma yen nhyase emfi so yenuanum wa hwe omo dwumadie ene omo current state na eyema wadaroma
yo minua medase de dekano meda watiefo ase na yadam so ase se mama ye ebre se ye mrane ye ne Ghana fo emetwetwe nkombo em se de wobusa no sa ene tie na emom se ye kase wo mo adwuma no sebe area se adwuma bia ana ye kan private security a ɛyɛ industry ɛyɛ viable industry ɛwɔ Ghana ahanom aha na medical hyɛaseɛ afiri ɛyɛ wɔn mo sika ɛsɛm ho a wɔn mo ka ɛyɛ me sɛ hwɛ nkɔmɔ no nyinaa hɔ na nkɔmɔ no nyinaa akɔ akɔgyina eti na ɛwɔ sɛ medical ɛkɔ ɛhɔ nom no kakra sɛ yɛka sɛ sikasɛm a ɛyɛ me sɛ adwuma no a yɛyɛ no deɛ di kan ɛka private security a ɛyɛ mmara ana yɛde ɛyɛ adwuma no sɛ wohwɛ private security no ankasa mu no a ɛyɛ Police Service Act wohwɛ Ghana ɛyɛ yɛma mmara a yɛde ebu Ghana man a ɛyɛ constitution ɛyɛ wohwɛ Police Service Act organization regulations 1992 ɛyɛ LI 1571 ɛno ana give birth to the private security ɛwɔ Ghana hanom enti wohwɛ man sɛ police for adwuma ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn yɛ no ne fa bi na wɔn de ama yɛ ɛsɛ yɛnyɛ ɛdan sɛ police for no de ama yɛ sɛ yɛnyɛ ne nti no yɛn adwuma wura nom no ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛ kɔfa wɔ bi na yɛ twa boɔ sɛ wo ba yɛ fa wɔ adwuma no yɛtua wo kase na emom no ɛyɛ outsource adwuma na yɛyɛ yɛka outsource a na se kyerɛ ɛne sɛ yɛyɛ kɔgye contract efiri obi wɔ sɛ yɛfa ne sɛ Max FM any Max TV sese amuka sɛ mo pɛ security ɛwɔ ha na mo frɛ sɛ mo pɛ security deɛ mɛma mo security a yɛba na yɛ ne management aba bɛyɛ discussion and based on their management betua ama yɛ no ɛno ho na yɛhwɛ na yɛn so yɛde etua akatua ɛma adwumayɛni na ɔba bɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ ha no na mmom no sese sɛ wohwɛ the association point of view ɛyɛ APSOC a Association of Private Security Organizations meda no na for the association point of view no yɛwɔ resolution on minimum chargeable rate for all member organizations but meaning ade bema ankomo na yɛ de ne sɛ yɛ association unum sɛ Ghana mmarakuo ya so ka sɛ there is a freedom of association enti yɛ ka sɛ sɛ ukɔ Ministry of Interior a website sɛ akora na you will close about 243 companies. Womo agile licenses ya Ministry of Interior momo license omo nya adwuma ewo Ghana ha. Na saa 243 companies no yenya ye association ye APSOC. Ye members 167. It means still no ye wo security companies ne bia omo license all right say womo ye adwuma ewo Ghana ha no nemum no omo enka eye kubatan a ye ka eho asem ye eho enu achi kura besa yan wasa ye won krofo so mu hihye suma so mu do mu ni license kura wo omu ni namu na wo mu no eye adwuma ni bi wo suma se won nam no wogege contract no wo ye adwuma ni bi wo suma se enti no se ekoba se wo bi se ope security e wo na adwuma mu a ye obi bi e friend tender na ye ko no eye competitive tender enti ye security companies 243 ye kan Ghana ha no ye gine ko pre business ba ko eti business ba ko na ye kwa kopre no we say tender independent what the adwuma no ma no wo so pe quality but affordable it is a me ko na me kaze me kwa gini pa no e bia 3000 wo bia ko 2000 bia ko 2005 as a company wo hwe ne budget ene de wo no we decide sampa wo na me de adwuma no me ma wo ana say me na me mfa adwuma no nye den e ma wo but with all this explanation ya me de amen ye association no because of say ye nim say sa wo ha wo nwuma no nti no ya hyehye mra ama ye members say your members no yes resolution on minimum chargeable rate no wa wo ye association member bia no untimi nko charge below certain amount ana ya hyehye sanse ya hyehye so wo koji ses kan so a wo percentage ye se wutua ema odwuma yani na wo ye adwuma no na me na me ba me den krata bi ba hanom say ye hwe sesi a ye kan June 15th 2022 as at June 15th 2022 na your resolution on chargeable rating was 1,500 Ghana cedis in Ghana here. And the 1,500 and na resolution krona so kase so ko charge 1,500 na tria e mu 50% ema eye odwuma yeni no 50% ni 50% net enya gross it will tria 50% na to ye 50% of 1,500 years 750 Ghana cedis 750 no afi na baba work in the Senate tier 1 and 2 obaba work PAYE eya ban tax ye association for ye insurance e ma ye workers o the insurance e ba beka ho enti wo be sama po be wie no na security guard ne akatua ɛne nam around 1,150 to 1,002 ɛti ɔno adwuma wura no a wɔsɔ adwuma no a wɔso wɔsisi no wɔsisi wo no sika a wɔnya no bosome nyinaa yɛ around 350 Ghana cedis as an administrative cost a ɛwɔ adwuma no a wɔkɔyɛeɛ no so out of saa 350 no mu no ɛmu a na ɔde tɔ uniform ama security guard no ɛmu a na ɔde tua administrative charges wɔno adwuma wura no a wɔn guard baabia no ɛno bi na ɔde tua ne ho ka supervisor na ɔkɔ no bi na ɔde tua ne ka secretary ɔto office obi na mede tua ne ka electricity bill stationaries ne nyinaa 350 no mu ana mede yɛ saa adwuma wɔ yi enti yɛ kan wohwɛ a asa 2022 no your last resolution was on February 2024 which on the 21st ana yɛde saa resolution yɛ increase it by 2,200 Ghana cedis out of 2,200 no yɛsɛ wokɔgye 2,200 na tua 50% which is 1,100 ɛma guard no wowie aba bɛ wode statutories na aba bɛka ho nti wowie no number around 1,000 5,006 ne nti wo na woyɛ adwuma no wonya 500 600 Ghana cedis a wode ayɛ administrative cost but deɛ yɛ a ne ɛwɔ mu no sɛ yɛn kora ne yɛn no ɔmo yɛ adwuma no before so wɔbɛka sɛ n'adwuma wura esisi no ɔma me 8 ɔma me 700 kora no menyi sɛ wonim deɛ n'adwuma wura kora no wɔgye anaa wɔnkɔ hu client no bisa ne sɛ sɛn na wotua ma adwuma wura ansa na waka sɛ adwuma no a wɔyɛ no yɛsisi no anaasɛ yɛsisi no ɔnhwɛ ɛno ne deɛ ne sɛ sika yɛba ne bɔtɔm no ɛsua enti no wɔhu ne sɛ yɛyɛ dɛn yɛsisi no na mmom no wohwɛ adwuma a yɛyɛ ne deɛ yɛ amenua yɛbɔ yɛ ho mmɔde no ana employment nso no yɛ create bi paa because sɛ yɛkasa 2,200 kora yi sɛ wokɔ out a wobɛtumi abusa security company how many security companies so mokɔ out motumi kɔ charge ɛnya that 2,000 ɛnyɛ easy few companies ɛna bɛtua that 2,200 asɛna bɛnya company bɛtua that 2,200 no na ɛyɛ multinational companies o mimi abɛyɛ wɔn wasa Ghana ha yɛte wokɔ banks wokɔ government institutions in asefo a today Ghana they are paying security 1,000 5,000 4,000 for security and sɛ adwuma wura kɔgye saa rate na sɛn ana wotua nti nyɛ yɛ adwuma wura no mu na asɛ ɛyɛ anida ho anaasɛ ɛyɛ bɔne yɛ anaasɛ yɛtiri mu na ɛdi nti na yɛhɔ kɔgye sika kɛse a ne aba bɛti sika ketewa bi de ama nipa no a wɔyɛ adwuma no ɛnyɛ saa na asɛm no ɛteɛ
nti ɛwɔ side deɛ wohu sɛ so far so good ɛyɛ ne sa
sɛ menua sɛsei no sɛnea meka sɛ ɛyɛ regulation no saa asɛm a yɛka ɛnyɛ this dimension ɛsɛ sɛ ɛkɔ sɛ yɛpɛ dimension yɛ deɛ na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ the proper way a yɛde bɛ regulate industry no because wohwɛ ewiase sɛsei a wokɔ other country yɛn Africa yɛakɔ Kenya wokɔ South Africa ne those things ya because wɔn ɛde proper regulations ɛwɔ in place ya wɔn de ɛbɔ industry no ho ban nti no ama nhyehyɛ yɛ pa ɛwɔ hɔnom ntoto yɛ pa wɔ hɔ nti sɛ wowɔ hɔ na wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ hɔnom na ɛma wo ho ɛtɔ ma wonya akatua pa ma wonya biribi aba yɛyɛ ha no saa regulation a yɛka 1992 wohwɛ sɛ sɛ private security ɛwɔ Ghana ha no ma is 33 years old that 33 years no saa LI 1571 yɛka asɛm no is over 33 years in Ghana and for 33 years now only one this amendment a yɛka sɛ hu was just to increase the licensing fee it means I won't mean to say 33 years of an LI in the country we need more review we need say yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ mmara no mu sakyeraeɛ nti sakyeraeɛ foforɔ ɛbɛyɛ no ɛno na ɛbɛboa ama industry no akɔ n'anim na ama nsesaeɛ aba na ama industry no mu no so ayɛ dɛ
yɛnso yɛda ase ansa na yɛbɛkɔ yɛnim no yɛnkɔ yɛn papa Robert Alexander Budu hɔ na yɛbisa ne sɛ ɔno nso ne take ɛwɔ the current state of private securities industry sɛ Ghana no ɔno nso ɔhu ne sɛn agya wadaroma
yɛda ase metia mo hyɛfo metue na yɛyɛ a mefa no kyɛ me sɛna me chairman aka no it's exactly so there's a lot of misconception about our industry which is not so and ɔka sɛ charges here I'll even start from the charges would you believe say maybe there's a government institution that work room here our last service review was in 2017 900 cedis as at 2025 they paid the security company 900 cedis out of 900 cedis how much are you paying the guard oh okay say big companies you know when I can even give you a list so when you see the names of these companies on it and how much they pay say you I say crowd the kwase ho security company ho busa guard say in the etuano na busa say the company na hin omutuano so there's a lot of misconceptions say yen ye gisika when the ECC boys no so na chairman kai I doubt if there's any company I stand to be corrected even omuji 3,000 cedis per guard.
And
So there that misconception. And all can say and law also no ache since 1992. So we've been fighting for most APSOC say by existence in 1998. And we've been trying to meet a very interested to say, for example, in the previous administration, we never met the Minister of Interior for 7 years to come and tell us all these things. Inti Mumbana and Mbana Mobahano, we understand them. We are not most of the things they are saying is so. But the blame is not on us as an association or as a security company.
Okay.
Because what our client ho, I say I can't pay more than 1,500. And I will even show you contracts are almost 12 hours in it. The right thing is to do 3-hour shifts of 8 hours. But may yes say calculation need to come clients now. I'll lose out the contract. I'll not even get one contract in this country. We'll be back on quote for 12 hours. I maybe 1,200, and that's what the client will pay. Well, industry maybe I do know. Who say commodity? I say what Kaneshi market. Now there are 10 women selling tomatoes. Oh, there are 2 cities, 4 cities. Oh, budget I want. I maybe 5 cities, and then I would better. You can't do more than 5 cities. No, but as a tomato say it's done here. It is worth 8 cities. Only 8 cities or 5 cities. So you back up for the 5 cities. So that's some of the challenges that as an industry, we are facing. What I say, and boys number we understand. Sebio, but it's not solely the fault of the company alone, but our regulator is also part, and also the end user. Max FM will not pay more than they budgeted for, which might be 1,200.
Sure.
So either I walk away or I'll take it. Then we'll buy Juma and so Massa, send a bit Matuaka, we'll pay and answer won't pay. So that is the state. I mean, that is some just to add to what my chairman is saying.
Chairman, you're not just saying, near Yenian by ye, any MBD and Como Casafidi, so say, or Musika Sem, any or more insurance, or more welfare, nay, and not just a chairman or more yagene.
You mean, Medase? I joined the Yanni Womo a year. You know, we are doing said, Minua Alexander Cano. You can't more cano, but sir, baby, industry now could be a year was a say no money to Sa Anna Aqua Battle, say, you be answers.
Into a daruma, say, Wabe chairman, and a mombe na to a dear phone.
You mean,
because I say, Sabe, Udiana, Yenian, because Omuchi say, Omashasi, Omeko radio stations, I hold Ako TV, I hold and I just say, Omoba has Omobo Udin, and yes, I was now Udin, and I just say, Omodin, Mitiwa Daruma. A bear papa say, and a Mombu, I 2 and 2 Miti say no, Ediana, or Yedia Farm.
You mean, Medase? I am such a share, Yabipa say, Osha 1992 APSOC. Ye 4 more APSOC, ye 2 and among Bebre. A bear one was say, ye kase ya making move at your proposals at your call the various institutions here omo matter e was asem we mo ye ne parliamentary select on defense and interior share ye ne minister of interior share ye ne Ghana police service share ye ne attorney general share on these matters and as make for over 15-20 years now. We'll be on the same matter ye crowd ye na ye nsema ye kan say your shares are LI said the mechanic, LI 1571 Police Service Act here. Since 1992, just only one amendment here. Then say a hianses aye. It take one as a senka. In paying for beshe na ya per Act of Parliament. Now in that Act of Parliament, because a new Act of Parliament say yenyana eba, the baby dosuma, ubia wo ni mudi bia ande ye na de ni mudi aba na ye hu said ye be ya be ye shisha industry no. Amanesi because ye mu bebre tutu kwan ye kwa amai foforo so ye hu say the security city na ye bagana enye sa ana e dey city any nyina because of the emirati. But thank God this current minister Honorable Muntaka Mubarak ye bonabaso say tama President John Dramani Mahama body this Womra Interior Ministry oba ye no private security one of the industry say wafato na komaso say o hwe say wo pese de obeye bia no o pese wo hwe say wo den sesan ya ebeba na say at least o jani din kura na so kokora na wonim say ye ne bre ana obebe ye industry nti ye ka say say committee wo place ya wo mo put two documents together wo mo hwe say wo mo review documents me know ka say a code of conduct is in place last 2 weeks ye share committee aye ho adwuma wi a ye de aba for review ye we review a ye be share the entire industry near discuss code of conduct no ya hwe the way forward said ye be si akọ ye nye wi ho adwuma enti no eye ebo ana ye hye ye adwuma ye fo no ene wo industry no mu nyina say with the help of the current honorable minister any minister of interior wo mo bo mo ho modern ye kasa nso no na wo police headquarters ya ye wo the whole directorate e wo police headquarters before na ye wo desk na ye wo staff officer wo ye in charge of private security desk e wo police headquarters since current IGP Christian Teteyohono baye wa babete a whole unit for the private security ye wo director general led by COP Efriye and the deputy ye wo legal and resource persons nyina ho wo mo so ye adwuma wo mo ni interior minister of interior ka bom se wo mo hwese de wo beye bia on beboa amasa na ema we nyina akoso na se de wo ka no ye susu ye ba ko no se sa ensema ye ka nyina minister ma ya te asese se ye kasa ye kope act of parliament se ya unim nhihye ya ye be go through akokonya parliamentary approval nese no kwa hwe kwa na 4 years be so be ko election fufuro kwa no na ye ntimi nuru honom enti no the minister decided ne say sa LI 1571 ya no wo hwe mu a lot of spaces wo mu enti no opese ye capitalize on spaces ne wo current LI mu no na ye hwe ba bia ye nhihye ye hwemu a ebeyeye na ye no de cabinet approval said ebe ya ebetima ba bebo na ye de industry na toto ye na yakoyenem na ade ba ko ye major ye hwa ye pese etu ho anamo standardized nationwide training because enunkuwa training nunkuwa no ebe solve most of the problems because currently as it stands now company bi ayeni deal me obedu me company even though I'm the chairman I'm also an managing director of my company May Security Limited me office mo kwa me first am family pa mo kwa me first am ye me hihye menu ho no so on the company that is what is happening currently which is not the best but as an industry we should have a pool ye wo standard ya before so person obey adwuma private security no obe go through those trainings we are na certify certify we are na ya man wa ade friend guard permit it is a guard permit na man na se mra no say obi a go through that training no bia no wontimi mfa na adwuma entua ne ka less than this amount wa ebia kra me say all the companies na your overhead cost akwakoye pe and say overhead cost ye pe there then say me ba be pe adwuma ba bia mitimi ko charge less a mitimi meeting overhead cost na mitimi tua me worker e ka yiye and these are some of the nhyehyaya ye hwe anim a ye guso a ye toto ne say nyame ya adoma enkoduru say afi be ko na wiye by first quarter 2026 no say Ghana for mo be sha ase ehun nhyehyaya foforo Ghana Police Service with the help of COP Free any the current minister Honorable Muntaka Mubarak any Minister of Interior one person would go akwan mu na yebo na ma private security industry no ebe the better place for us
ma sembisa etwato mepese Mr. Robert Alexander Budu ebe yia no even though mo nkomo mu na mete ye mo de now chim say security personnel no ebi enim se na mo nhyehyɛ etie ebi a mo charge 2000 e wo se mo nche sika ne mu menu na mo half ebi a time na ye 1500 ne wo se mo nche mu menu na mo half but o can say most of them any sa education no and say any sa idea no why na was say on fast entity na say education na ma security guys no
yo me nua me da wase say wo hwe ya elia me nkasa ye mu no me ka say eye absock yen asane ekuo ana ye ne ya nyina ya kohyia ana ya gia tomu na ya ye san hyehyeye no say wo kan so a me san ka say sesi a Ministry of Interior website sesi a ye wo 243 private security companies a wo ye licenses emu 167 and they absock members all this 167 absock members they know because say your committee na say your pass resolution adwuma wura bia hwese wo kɔ na adwuma ko afa nkɔkɔ ye adwuma ye na hyehyɛ ye mmerɛ ntino wa ni so a ye de ye ne aye mmerɛ ba den ebediwu but ye nkɔte 167 emfiri 243 mu oba maka wo mu ni ko no mu so mo lan so madwuma mu do wo yesan nto mo no mo nye members ne yedmi fan hyehyɛ yedmi fa sa enhye wo yi enkonkɔto sa companies no eso
all right
ntino na hyehyɛ ye wo
ma se bi se twato na green no take over na me pese Mr. Robert Mboye nti say no Kwamben so and ye betimi afa ye be timi improve the standard of this private security agencies. Kwamben so na ye fa e de na wo susu se ye de toto na kwan ma be boa na adwuma no agina ne nan so.
Okay, Sana, the chairman Kaino, yeah, act no. It's been exempted in 3 years, and there's a lot of spaces and loopholes room. In the minister no or working on. Okay. What they say, in industry no, private security, Ghana hano, or most people your concept and they say a garden, gas na yehuno, but it's only one subsector. Oh, okay. There are others in electronic security, or me dog, or me CCTV, all those things are part. Wow. But the law is a bit silent on that until there's a review on it. Now, to make the obey industry better, no, it's now first and foremost the regulator. Some kind of training, interior. If they put the right things in place now, any police now, who they are doing very well. Some kind of COP free is very dynamic. He's moving, trying to understand the industry and make it well. But end user also. For example, just to go to Mbaneba and say training. Some of us used to train like a month. Fire training, first aid, they must say training. But then realize that the cost became too high. Say, for example, God don't call about training. Only about 1, 2, 3 days. Only by so by day, and I be answering about 4th day. Not training at home. We be what training can. So it made training cost high. In the end of training, no, about form, kakra, because you can't really afford to do that. And also, good training will be now. Be if I say me brand company, I got a contract or by 2.5. Now me 1.5. My training will be now. I'll be pushing the because you will pay higher. Oh, okay. That is the problem. Oh. So one of the things that we need to do is that the minister, no, and for me, one of the fastest solutions is that interior and labor sit down, because by law, no, we are supposed to work 8 hours, but we are working 12 hours. I bear convention. The boys work 6 hours a day, 6 hours, 12 hours a day, 6 days a week, 1 day. We cry where 1 month cry on call off here. Because clients know into ya for that extra person. So if the government was to come out and say, you know what, this is the law of the country, labor law, no guard, it's a security company, no. If your guard is working more than these hours, either I'm going to suspend your license or I'm going to take a license for you. Then you go back to your end user. Wow. Say, look, if I have to provide this service, please, this is what the law is saying. Otherwise, I'll lose my license. And truly, multinational companies, they look at those things. Almost like holiday pay. Ghana holiday pay bien boys in the Juma because all the two service charge in one clients in India, you lose out on the contract. So I think one of the easiest and fastest ways that let's look at the working hours of the boys. Who does it depend on us? I can show you contracts, our clients, and because I actually say 12 hours a day for the boy. It's clearly against the labor law of 8 hours. So if our regulator is able to stand on their feet and say, listen, this should not be maybe an economic way, but a must 6 months grace, whatever it is, look at your contracts and readjust it, because we will not renew the licenses of our, if I say, the companies, if they are making their boys work more than 8 hours. That pushes the burden on the end user. Economy is not good, but we can also together say, fine, maybe meet me in 8 hours, 4 hours overtime, but I can pay you 2 hours. I can pay you holiday pay half. Our major challenge is with the regulator and the end user.
Yeah. Green Obrama na fe wi ayen kwa hamano so ye bi set here for na o ma se bi so mo wede ma ye mpan fu mo fa man na yen kwa ni.
We dey ma mensa mo akwa ba bi Owura Ibrahim ni Owura Robert. Mi se mo nsem no o ma keka ni ye pa na said ye mo ken from 1992 eba and police service act no efa baby eye security guard and mo no matiko absok enti mo ko yemfa ne say bia principal ho ana regulator ho no mo na mo ne na ko negotiate ewo nipa ba ko as a guard e bia metu ya 1,500 metu ya 2,000. Don't you think say ho no mo explain it kire bia principal na be answer na dey because Owura Ibrahim can say gross net enya gross enti ebeba no na chese nipa ni sika no fia bi knowing very well say enye economy ni so no ade achi ade say nyina konanim ade na makokoye intermediary ne munjina mu emma gas ni so no say because ade ni baba no obema sika ni nipa ni sika ne eswa enti ade na mu increase price ne per head na still amoko amu negotiate a na mo agya to musa na mo de abre boys
business economy what you say some of us have a choice. I can tell you companies I have stopped working with. I've even stopped operating in Accra personally because of the cost of operating in Accra. What do we rate? We are security professionals. Say next year, I'm 40 years in this industry. So I know what I'm talking about. But what they are called to clients, say, me do 2, 3. Or say, I can pay. This is the best I can pay. That is why when the boys come to us, we tell you, say, this is what we can afford. Or this is what we are offering you. Do you want it or not? Most of your budget, then the complaints start coming. Until me makoti 2, tana chairman kaino, makoti 2, 3 because Miami calculations. No, biako koti 1.8. Look, the average rate in this industry is between 1.5 and 1.8. That is the average rate. Even there are big banks in this country paying 1,300 for a guard. I'm telling you, I can show you figures. No. Until you've gone. And often over fellow security professional, no, your corporate security, no, bank or another institution, or no more or cutting that because he has to satisfy his superiors. Now they are looking at the profit margins. So it's not as if we've not done our best. There is no security manager or security company here who have not made their case for review. What 3 years? And I say a big institution in Ghana. Last review was 2017 or 2019. I know the companies go there every year. They write report, they write everything. But like I say, I don't have the money to pay. So that is the challenge. It's not that we don't understand. Maybe say my guard is Jumada. I tell my staff, say, look, I can do the guard way. I know, I understand what they feel. I know what it means to go on night duty. I know what it means to work on an empty stomach. It might not look like it, but I know. But you say everything. The client is saying, say, this is what I can pay. Take it or leave it.
Every no, I'm for a crank and can one every one will say a open market. A open market. Now, before company biano, or because a war, or pay security. Now, what costing the budget? What they air pay security. And in security in Kwawo, Oko banks are tell us almost to keep it. They bring bank staff, so they are also outsourced from Lenny Montra, other companies that outsource them and send that. You can go and have a chat with them, and you see they are also having the same problems as we are discussing here. Because at the end of the day, is the order of the day in the country to say there be a company to me and make your mother cut cost, and they are making profit. And what it is a maba, Nesame, me say Anne, me June 2,500, so I made to make Triam work a 1,005. Nasa nipa say me expensive into want to mean tria. Meda me man your business na my adwuma na nipa no ka matua ne because I don't the days my license no e koma me nya adwuma de me na dem my another fact ne say you can private security owners ya ye two caliber of people so you run private security. I've always said this. You will be a passion for private security. What your adwuma na say and na adwuma ntino ana wo ye. Ana wo obi so a officer private security no e business ka wom. Enti ono de oba be pesca na wako enti de saa nipa mienu wei sa wo ko private security companies na wo ko companies ya owners no e wo security background a e ya omo passion no omo hwe mo workers ye o me workers I be edge close to 2,000 a month because sa contract no the client pays well na me ko contract na contract no client no tua me ka 3,000 na me magado ho 2,000 me ko ba bi ne kotua me ka 1,080 a de ho me ma ono so tu me pay mo no 2,000 me 1,080 de for do benya 900 and so benya 1,000. This is how the challenges are in the industry.
Okay. Green Obeba Muna, my main phone lines, and to Ghana. Obi bi owa se bi no on famra na yempen for yi omano 0550055522 and say 0551598321 0550055522 and I say 0551598321
It's me bem. And I business in numbers in the
Debbie so be a master why
okay
Pacho when ye
hello maybe we have the question for Madina
Yenche wa se misa
Pacho yam pay for number to me can you can ask say omo obi a omo kan kure entina Ghana for our city that is the who CP agent now here no the police adwuma ana wa bia mo say yes let's we a contract ana wa kwaji o every police in them ana on their contract ana wa kwaji office ana company to report the security they go board the company on by only as a contract I sign contract. I'm a workable boy. I'm a marketer. Let it be as one how could the contract what one side the contract no workable boy. Let it be our could be a man 500 feet. Now the man in the panel. Now I can't throw a fair. Nimia, I do not me. Who is it? You can't clue. Me, my question, my street. That they driving, but I tell my team that they can play the room. So who say what was the contract? If you say Edma who sleep now, who to ready, and we will throw it. But now I buy the man, Mr. Mian, as a cinema. But one man, no me, Edmano. I know contract now in Apple.
You, yada, with Madaruma, you make them say. Monka, so me who and to be answered my cover house.
It's the perception.
Oh, okay.
I'm making this challenge here as a radio station. Let any security guard, I may be mistaken. I am willing personally. Umbra number prove it to this company. Say company be budget maybe 3,000 cities for a guard. O2 will be 500, 800. I will pay that person.
Oh, okay.
I'll give that person 5,000 cities. That guard or whoever brings that information. And I am Bana Mati Association also. I also personally give them 5,000 cities to help them in their work. If they can come and prove, say, obliging 9,000, 3,000, and I say 4,000, 3,000, or more be 500. I'm making this thing on the air here. When you madam here, on being be proved, say company A, say chairman company 3,000 cities. And our chairman each of 500, 800. I'll give that person personally. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we've gone around, we've said these things, but they won't believe it. I'm saying, so if you have that proof now, what the Fabra Max FM say, company 8 your way. All right. Maybe German agree.
Yeah, that's it. Green on me patch on me about why. Yo. Hello, when you.
Hello, me patch on your family Simon, because of the shadow.
Yente, I say, Missa.
Me patch on President Pisa and Pennyform says, so much. Like muti location ni pa me security ni pa me ejuma o CPS o la boma this one no site man so a kamben na sese o mutia ma security for ye ejuma no sa 24 hours na say tam no so kwampo a enya de o mbetia ya ye de be hie ye yere ne yemba ye be free amafo ye amafo enyama disa a month no better and the 15th. I thought they become for Muntia and they pay na come. And this is saying, I want Mutiano Wamukuka, Romi Pedamokano, Corino, Ghana for. To see I come for Mika say, come for pay a month, I chum for ye, Santa salary.
You,
yo, maybe always say, Kumi, always say, can't come on now, ya generalize it. Me tell me security. What my friend work bia. Me work pay day. Me tramp by 28 I pay all my workers. It is a one year one security we do different company. Company look around. So one license and I want license we don't even know. So do you generalize it across the industry?
Teacher my whole can say na amon na wo.
And I'm only here to an because what it is that say na yet police directorate no we are emphatic o see any company there we operate illegally. Why inform police goes after them. You who Yama womo kochi womo ya chiwa eduko police kwata emrano da kwa ye de ye do fam etino eye niam bebra ye ya na mo bebra ye to bad issue yes ni nyina se de ye ka no eye regulator ne wo tumi opko ye be engage regulator no on some of these problems because eye license e de ma se wo animra so wo license ye betima jefro ejifro so ma wontimi enye de enye adwuma no biem eti anamo bebre yetu afa saa ne ma wo mu ye de ehu bebre a ya toto ene ma ye ni regulators e hia a ye ka ye ni aye members so ye committees ya ye ni wo mu kasa e ka kire wo mu so far as I'm concerned sa eko ya apso kwa asema ye kan me nya sure apso company bi ho ma wo ye member of apso ko be kasa boso mi aso a ontua ne workers ka because e ba ye notice to the executive level. We will sanction that company, and we will sanction and sanction well. It in the company we will be sir, 1 year registered, 1 year registered. Where the name he's mentioned is I've not even heard the name before. And these are some of the challenges in the industry.
Now you papa person fight being come.
Sana boy in the kind no say chairman swaka generalization. Because company be anytime we tuaka any business arrangements. Into how much ebo how say so obi start or say business into only running capital. Into he's expecting the client to pay. Ebo look, I can tell you I have clients who have not paid me for 3 months, but I've paid my boys. It's out of our own resources. If we are going overdraft, into a company specific, they cannot generalize it. And I mean, one of the things I say, law, say, oh, security guard, no. Find out whether your company has a license, a current license, because it's against the law to operate without the license. The whole guard no car company, no. Police for Timichi for working with a company without a permit or a license. That is the law. Well, it is not as per se as an association. Obviously, as if you be a monster, people might not do the right things. But
Yada say when you
Yo, me first issue say Ghana and Kasa, some study Ghana, ye security system no. See a military, but your police, security guide for Ghana for you. Ain't you be acting for say. If percent the bombing man home, but no bad at a contract or what. Which is come to me, 2,000, 2,500. How send the Panama manage at penny workers? Ghana Yembu. And I'm second issue, say, the papa almost came in on 100%. Many waterman. And I'm a Sawa Shama. And the company could be brave, who my former company security is my security. Uncle guide the way. When he lands the session and for king. And see a home, I saw more young phone and person running here, you know, for money see for. Then you only lances, no. Ada say a bet, you know, you be good, Juma. Net your one lances a bit now, dear boys in this year. Because of my okay, many years bow and that's area. I want to make Juma. Obi who lances and get to my GSS, secondary school. Omu company like a check, a say Amani. Obi who are more. Security, I'm more get anwa. I have a time so we be the nukura, but I be the one to call the beton now.
Nano na bijina ho ba ko to banku antonam ba ko to banku wentimi antonam. Ampa you green no last question na answer this one.
Where this is saying part 2 because question in the adults be pa. What we said the nyina ye kan in fact wa shasem crab boss say do Ghana me freedom of association but here in the case nipa no do on the license on person be join no more association no adan na mo na mo form association no mo ma regulations enye adwuma na wo ma wo mo ni license no wo mo ntimi empake wo ensi nche eno ye question ba ko question menu a etwa to since 32 years ni and I'm fight here say be amendment kakra mo be ye but enyanye ye this time around dey na guarantee say dey mu kan mu betumi aye because look as you say enko ba bia.
Okay. First question, freedom of association. So you can't force anybody to do it, but the regulator, that is Ghana Police and Interior, deals a lot more of APSOC. Into any committee be almost free and income. Until we hope say when APSOC say a growing concern, when we get things better, and I'm regulator and also recognizing that you have no alternative. I'll join because I've seen contracts of multinationals. One of the tender when they say be a member of APSOC. What did I say? But you can't force them. Anybody. See, that is one of the challenges. We can't force them amongst ourselves. You know, we can do what we can do, but freedom of association. Now, the reason I hope say yet na hey. We've been meeting with the ministry, with the police. Weekends even a lot of our members are not aware. We are trying to focus. The minister has called us. We've met them, so we know. Say, and he said this. He wants to leave a legacy, because when he said people don't know say the industry, it's one of the largest in the country. When he said if you even combine armed forces and police, we are more than them. We have a BFN, a critical national infrastructure. If I say radio mass all those things are guarded by private security. But more, you don't see. So we have hopes that this time around, the minister and his team
All right. Kumi we dey part 2. Because yes also am
Chairman, the way forward.
Yes, the way forward no dey said the medical account. Na ansa na me call the way forward no. O say na ubuza say chairman me buy e dey ana me ye. Say insurance bit now initially will commodium now will can say workers no kwaso mu nyansho. You can look at document I'm holding here. For APSOC, this is an agreement, insurance agreement for all member APSOC companies, or members. Insurance
company not register
we're a member of the association. I compulsory say workers in an order or life policy insurance. And this policy insurance is between APSOC and then my life insurance, which Westham Insurance Brokers is the broker in between my life and then how do you call it APSOC, because you say you man ankrano yen wo ha wo ho yare wo ho wo ho akwanhia wo ho nom e be kwa na yere ne ma asembesi. And me in particular, this thing has really helped me because my loose staffs are through this insurance. Nipa na wo free mu na busiafo o manya up to now wo ko ya kwa shama ko sie ya staff ye ade chene nipa be sala wo tema se o mpese o mo ne ye be ye adwuma. Unfortunately we didn't have contract then and else ye fa nipa mo ye den o mo ko ye adwuma entine sana ete entine the way forward ne de said ye ka no ye boy ye homoden de se betima ye bia ye na ye wo gidie so say with current ministry led by the Honorable Minister of Interior, and then also at the police led by the COP every year, the good job they are doing, and then the meetings we are having and the processes that we have in the pipeline, we can say that, or we can show that the industry is promising. Probably by early next year, we'll start seeing changes in there.
And I pay the Masani addition, Mama Yasua, addition, a chain we know, and I say radio station, TV station, be any bedroom, so be friend, Mona addition, money at you for a channel. Your friend number bang.
Pacho Pese or Freya. Personally, no, my number is 0245 6019. 0245 6019. Ana opesa wo frɛ APSOC secretariat so secretariat number is 027 95 24 919 027 95 24 919. What first number we are Ebeko secretariat or directly, and then we always have secretaries that won't be responding to the call. Thank you.
Mr. Robert Wadaruma, Saudo number back to just saying how they are.
Okay. Chairman,
then number
APSOC. All right. Secretariat.
Wadaruma, you were bushing for me, bet your man, answer so.
Oh, so okay, go on.
Okay. Minister. First and foremost, the Danyamia say my opportunity. My inquire and pay about 19. Children upon your danasi. Second, the Minister of Interior say we appreciate all he's doing for us. I hope say now I know. Yameba honeymoon and finally from me, no COP done in the free year. He's a very dynamic police commissioner of boy industry. And that goes to all APSOC members. We thank them for their support, and we hope we'll continue to rely on their support to push our industry forward.
Chairman Wadaruma, into
you. Senior Yakana, your members in Anna Yada Womas, any Mwa Womu, Edebuaye, and the Minister of Interior, and so Yada Womas, Anna Ghana Police Service, a year Private Security Directorate. Yada womo so ase eno achi yawo anim defo a womo wonim die ewo private security mo tembe eto yensa fra mu bia no omo popo wo muti omo ba saa nkrofo no nyina nso ene mpanyifo nyina nso yada womo ase ewo womo bre no mbibia na ye ka kire mo se womo enya ahobo ase bre ni duru se ye bie discussion se ye pese ye industry the better one ye wo awrehye mu se womo ebeba na womo ababeka ye ho na ye timi aye hwehweye ama no akoso masede be ya private security ebe fund into mapa
efra
ya madam ase when sorry o pacho ya se between you say uri fina wo kwa ya yenchi yemba no the guards for we appreciate them as long as we don't know what they are going through you know say ya damas say many of them have worked with us. I have people who have worked with me 20 years up to now. Inti omo nyina nso yedam ase. Now we hope say things will get better for them in the shortest possible
Yo, and na yes sempa, yes we hope say enema be get better. Na che say hope no hope and na no pe yakopie. Yen fast da ma Dr. Ibrahim Abdulrahman oye National Chairman Edema Association of Private Security Organizations say Ghana no pe yeda na se wa me asua de na fe so ase da bi so enkoma Robert Alexander Budulabi ono so yesi we Edema Mega Force Security Services Limited and pe yasua de pa pe for yeda mase ha na mbre be ma yenkwa na yede Max Money di ujumadi no ebesi grino yeko
ye tietiefuo nyina obi bia woje bre etie yen yesi yeda wo mo ase papa from ando pa no nsia ebesi no nkono wo mo a ene yen na atena ye chia wo bibia ebie mo nso enkomo yi part 2 ebesa aba eni nti wo mo ntena ase no mo ne yen entena mechia mi coach Gucci Emmanuel mechia de bebre pa
yen fast da ma mass by omo boy sika fa mo ma na no pay the Max Morning due jumade bro na face so ase da no bi so enkoma mega cash lucky box and one so be fa phone wa dial star 426 star #, and for hone network bi a wo so omo boy yen ema ye the Max Morning due jumade bro ye fra mi kumi ka say ho nyankopon ya adom a chena be say hia na the Max Morning due jumade bro ye da ase no mbre no wadaje.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install you with AC and TV and the